Okay, good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. I hope I'm audible and visible enough to everyone.
Good morning, sir. Yes, you are
Yes, I can hear you, Sula.
Audio and video is good.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, good. So, one rule for this meeting and for this class is I have not muted to anyone. That means once you join this meeting, your mic will be on mute. But you have freedom to unmute your mic. So make sure that your mic should be always in mute. And whenever you have any question, you have option to unmute your mic. You can ask the question and then keep your mic back in mute, right? But make sure that you should not ask the question anytime. For example, whenever I'm in the flow already, for example, right now, I'm speaking already, I'm on the flow already, right? You should not stop me in between. Whenever I'm explaining you any topic, I will take a pause in between, right? So when I will take a pause, then you have the question, you have option to ask the question in between, right? So don't stop me in between. For example, I'm speaking something, I'm explaining some topic to you, right? If you stop me in between, maybe we'll divert from the topic itself, right? So that is not the right way of asking the question. You have full freedom of asking the question, but not during the flow, right? Once I take the pause, that time you have option to ask the question, right? So why should you keep your mic and mute? Because of so much of noise you might have in between on your background, right? So that's the reason you should keep your mic on mute. Camera should be always in mute. Always your camera should be on mute. Today will be first and last day when you will unmute and open your camera, right? So today, basically, today's session we have scheduled for the introduction, right? So you'll understand about me, and we'll understand about you and all people, about you, your name, your background, where from where you're coming from, about your experience, about your educational background, right? So today's session mostly we have scheduled for the introduction session. Get a point? So tomorrow onwards we'll start the actual class. So I hope everybody knows. Still, you can see some people, two people not in mute. So you know that in the right hand side of yours, you have the option to mute your mic, right? So you can keep your mic and mute, and make sure that you will see some people are saying that they don't have joining link and all, right? Make sure that you do not share your your joining link to anyone, because after registering, the link that you have got in your email is unique for you. If you share the joining link to anybody else, you yourself will not be able to join. Get a point? Because it will allow only one device to join. If somebody else will join from your link, you yourself will not be able to join. So make sure that you do not share the link to anybody else. Okay. So before we start, it's a first day session. So let me introduce myself. So I hope you know about me. My name is Sulabh. I have total around 13 years experience in cybersecurity. It's been almost 8th year going on right now. I started this training, delivering training since 2016. That time there are very less training institution or trainers, especially for SOC. That's the reason, especially for India, if you see every company, you will see every project, you will see people who were trained by me. You will see managers who have been trained by me. Every project you will see, every company, if I go, I'll see people who have been trained by me. Because if you see in 2016, it's been 8th year right now, there were less people, less institution that time for the cyber security. And when I was working that time, I was hardly find any institution for training. That when I was working and I was looking for the training institution for training for SIM and other SOC related stuff, that time that time it was not actually cyber security. That time it was network security. So hardly any training institution for that. So it's 2014 onwards, we see the exponential growth in cybersecurity when 3G and 4G came, right? 3G onwards, when we have a smartphone and digital device, Android, 3G, and then 4G, then now 5G is coming. So we see the exponential growth in the cybersecurity, of course, because everybody has that digital devices, right? So it's been 8th year now since I'm delivering this training. I have trained more than 15,000 people so far for this training. And if you talk about this workshop and all corporate trainings, I have delivered training to many corporate. This last couple of years, I stopped delivering this corporate training because of so many in-house assignment and some other activities that I do. My last assignment was one of the company, Airport Authority of Bahrain. I delivered my last assignment for corporate in 2020 before COVID. It was Airport Authority of Bahrain. It was the offline training for Bahrain. So that was my last assignment for corporate. I was the authorized trainer for Micro Focus ArcSight. I was handling the whole Asia region for delivering ArcSight SIM training. If you talk about certification, a lot of certification I have, like I'm certified Splunk administrator, I'm certified Splunk architect, I'm certified ArcSight advanced administrator, I'm certified QRAD administrator, I'm certified McAfee SM administrator from SIM perspective. A lot of other certification I have from cybersecurity perspective. Initial point of time when I used to work, I was not giving much preference for certification. I was thinking that knowledge is important, not certification. But when I started giving interview to switch my companies, I realized HR is asking for certification, piece of paper for evidence. Then I realized that certification is important. Certifications are in cybersecurity are important. Then I started collecting certification. So I did a lot of certification. All are sponsored by companies. Most of certification are sponsored by companies only, because these all certifications were very costly that time. Because for these certificates, especially for SIM certification, that time it was mandatory to join their authorized training. For example, Splunk and everything, this architect admin level training, it was mandatory that time to join their own authorized training, which used to cost 2 to 3 lakhs Indian rupees training plus certification. Nowadays, you can learn yourself and just write the certification exam, which is not that costly. It is very cheap. That time it was mandatory to to join authorized training only. So it was not a cup of tea for everybody to manage the cost of training and certification. So I managed to do all those most of these costly certification to do from the company itself. If the critical resource of the company will definitely sponsor. And I do recommend this to all my students who doing the training to get it from the company itself. Do not spend too much yourself for the certification. In cybersecurity, every company sponsor every year training and certification. Of course, for your personal growth, keep some amount every year, 5%, 10% for learning perspective, but keep your eye open. Every year you will see training calendar, certifications, everything, company also, big companies, and grab those opportunities. So I also collected a lot of certification. I did a lot of training and certification during my work in the companies. So you're not learning from someone who is just a trainer. You're learning from someone who are the professional. And I started my career with Analyst, not directly as a trainer. As an analyst, I was like a ground worker. I had not directly started like trainer or directly started working solution architect. I was the ground worker. I started my career as an analyst, means as a monitoring agent, monitoring analyst. So I did everything as an analyst. Then I was the part of administrator. I was the part of implementation team. I was the part of solution architect. I was designing, implementing the SIM solution and various security devices. Then I was the part of solution architecting team. I was the part of designing the SOC solution end to end. for various companies. Still, I'm the involving of designing SOC for various companies. Even we are setting the SOC for our own company also. We recently we have started, World Sec Technologies. Under that, we are setting up the own SOC, but this is in the pipeline as of now. We started the project for our home company, but that is in pipeline. Our main business is to cybersecurity trainings, but parallelly, this is in our pipeline to start cybersecurity services as well for our own company, but that is under pipeline. So you're not learning from someone who is just a trainer. You're learning from someone who has actually worked, who has actually, worked on the real time and everything. So this is what I'm going to share during this whole training, all my experience, being analyst, being an administrator, all the various, issues that we find, what we do being an analyst, L1, L2, L3, various scenarios that we face. That is what we are going to cover here. So this is not just a theoretical training, it's fully practical trainings that we are going to cover here. So your experience is definitely going to be completely different. Whatever training you have joined before in your career, you must have joined, of course, many people coming from IT, you must have joined the training before. Your experience is going to be completely different in my training. And if you have, of course, if you have watched any YouTube video, you must have experience already. That's the reason you are here already. So our trainings are not going to be, not going to be slide sharing. I never use any slides during my training. This will be completely interactive, means I'll be always in front of you. I am not going to use any slides to read, right? It's fully interactive training. We are not going to read any document, any slides. It's fully interactive, and you have freedom to ask any questions. I'm going to answer all your questions, right? So that is what the training is going to happen. And I have designed this training in such a way, it's not only a fresher level of training. We'll be starting from scratch, of course, but L1, L2, many of the L3 activities also will be covering here so that people can, manage to write experience. I should not touch this actually. So people can manage to write experience, right? 3 years, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, depends how much you understand and how much you are able to explain. But the level that I'm going to cover, I explain you. So fully, you will get the lab access also for Splunk Enterprise Security. Splunk Enterprise license is free for 60 days, which is available as a trial license. But Splunk Enterprise Security, many people are not available. What is Splunk Enterprise Security? They are not having understanding, but no problem. I'll be explaining you in the later period. But people who has understanding, for them, I'm telling you, Splunk Enterprise Security license is not free. So that is the reason many people in the market, they want to learn a Splunk SIM, but they do not understand that Splunk SIM means there is a separate component called as Splunk Enterprise Security. So they should learn Splunk Enterprise plus Splunk Enterprise Security. In the market, people and many training institutions, they teach only Splunk Enterprise with free trial available. But Splunk SIM is not completed until unless you learn Splunk Enterprise Security. So since Splunk Enterprise Security is not freely available, many institutions, they do not cover Splunk Enterprise Security, and many people blindly join them and get half knowledge, right? So we have the license here. We have the enterprise level of license for Splunk Enterprise plus Splunk Enterprise Security, which you are going to get the lab access of practice. That is how we are going to write experience. We also included this time CrowdStrike EDR, which is the part of next generation tool. So you understand the threat is evolving day by day. Attackers are becoming very intelligent, finding new way of penetrating the network. So new tools are being introduced in cybersecurity. So EDR is one of them for next generation SOC. So we have introduced on your batch EDR also. So endpoint detection and response, and the vendor will be CrowdStrike. So CrowdStrike EDR will also be covered here. And CrowdStrike EDR is also a leader in the market for EDR solution. So EDR also be covered. You'll get the lab access.
Sorry to bother you, Saurabh. Your video is
Yes.
stopping.
What happened?
See clearly. Your video is stopping. The video is stopping, not coming clearly. It's stopping.
Is this for everybody? I don't think so.
It's
My
just me
video?
or everybody's problem.
No, sir. No, sir.
I don't think
It's
so.
fine for me.
I don't think so. It would be a problem from your end.
Okay,
My
sorry.
audio
Sulabh,
and
yeah, it's fine here.
Fine. Yeah.
it should be problem from your end. If it is stopping, it will be problem from your end. Otherwise, other people also face the problem. Okay, so we are going to cover EDR also, which is the lead CrowdStrike, which is basically the leader in the market, and we have the enterprise level of license for that.
EDR means,
Everybody,
sir,
Yep.
EDR means,
Endpoint detection and response.
Sir?
Endpoint detection and response. EDR.
Yes, sir.
EDR means endpoint detection and response. Everything will be talked about here. I don't understand. Many people has not heard about it. No problem. So I'm just giving introduction what are going to be covered here. So EDR means endpoint detection and response. That means especially for endpoint, is machine is infected, any abnormal behavior found on the endpoint, that means desktop, laptop, server, any machine infected, any abnormal behavior you observed, right? So there's a tool called as endpoint detection and response. So that tool coming with machine learning and AI, so that can that can correlate, that has the machine learning and AI, which can monitor the behavior of your system and take the response, also can isolate your machine if any malicious activity found, malware found, abnormal behavior found. So it can isolate, means isolate the machine from the network. So it can respond also. It can observe, monitor the activity of your end system, and it can isolate, it can clean your machine, it can isolate the machine. Multiple action can be performed by the EDR, right? So that is the part of next generation SOC. Many of the companies are deploying nowadays EDR. Every next resume of the SOC, you will see EDR. Every next job description, you will see EDR also have been mentioned. So from last batch only, we have added EDR also in the SOC batch. Splunk is also leader in the market. So we are covering both the tools, SIM plus EDR. In SIM, we are covering Splunk. EDR, we are covering CrowdStrike. So both, in case of SIM, we are covering Splunk. Splunk is also leader in the market. As per the Gartner report, Splunk is recently acquired by Cisco. Splunk itself was the leader in the market since many years, but recently Splunk acquired by Cisco. Cisco was the giant already for the network and security services, product development and services. Now Splunk acquired, Cisco acquired Splunk. So now Cisco has become one of the biggest software company in the world after acquiring, Splunk. So Splunk is already in the good hand now after acquiring by Cisco. So we'll see the more demand of the Splunk. So already in the leader market. So learning the Splunk is always going to be good for our future. That's the reason we have added a Splunk here, and CrowdStrike again leader in the market. So both the tools are good to learn as per the demand in the market. Okay, so this training, we are going to start from scratch, but this time I would like to inform you, many people must have come from the YouTube. They might have already watched the basic video in the YouTube. So what I have decided this time I have decided to give more time on Splunk. See, Splunk and SOC topic I am going to cover. EDR topic, we have my another colleague, Arvind, who is going to introduce EDR. EDR is around 24 hours. It's a less small tool. So EDR is around 24 hours class, 24 to 25. Majority is Splunk, which will talk about around 70 hours. Means main is SOC and Splunk, where I covered incident response and analysis, everything. I'm going to take that one. And 24 hours class, which is EDR, 25 hours, maybe mostly 30 hours if I ask him to do more deep dive, 28 to 28 hours. So he will be taking this EDR class. So what I'm thinking this time, the basic classes, right? Basic classes, you might have already, many people might have already gone through the basic networking and security classes on YouTube, right? So I'm thinking not to give too much time on the networking. We'll cover it here, however, here, but I will cover it in brief, networking classes, because those classes are already on YouTube. So I'm thinking to directly come the Splunk. Instead of that, we'll give that time, the time that we have saved, we'll put that time on the Splunk classes, which is more important. Instead of giving that time on the Splunk, the time on the basic networking, we'll put that time on the Splunk, so that will be more meaningful. Understand? So basic classes, what is IP address, router, and switches, we'll be having brief understanding, and rest of the things and deep dive you will learning from YouTube. Unnecessarily, the time that will put again on those basic classes, because interviewer nowadays is not asking any question from those, but that is important if you are from non-networking background, right? Non-security, non-networking background, those basic router, firewall, proxy, right? IPS, IDS, antivirus, right? Those topics are important if you don't have the networking background. But if coming from background, directly you can understand Splunk, SIM. So that is what my thinking is, to save the time and put that time on the Splunk. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
So we'll start with the introduction class. So start with the introduction class. So you have to tell your name, your location, your educational background, and your experience, your name, your current location, your educational background, and what you have done in graduation, which year you have done, right? And fourth thing is, if you have any experience. Okay, so that we can understand about you. Other people can also understand about you. Okay, tomorrow onwards we'll be starting the class. So basic topics this time we'll cover in 2 classes instead of 4. We used to cover in 4 classes. So those basics we'll cover in 2 classes, and third class we'll start with this Splunk. Okay, so we'll start with first person, which is Adif Khan. Please, Adif, go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So you have to turn on your camera. Everybody has to, people who are introducing has to turn on your camera. Okay, so that we can see you, everybody can see you first time. Because tomorrow onwards, you will not turn on your camera.
Okay, sir.
If anybody not in situation to turn on the camera, like work from home you do, so that's fine.
Yeah, sir.
I'll recommend you to turn on the camera.
Sir, I can show my face on WhatsApp. Is okay.
So anybody in not a situation, that's fine, but I will recommend you.
Okay, sir. Shall I start now?
Yes, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. My name is Adip Khan, and actually, basically, I'm from Mumbai, but current location is Kuwait.
Okay.
And I have more than 10 years of experience in Cisco domain as a network and security engineer. I have a most dedicated profile on firewalls, actually firewalls and switches, routers, all this. And I have been working in Kuwait since 2015. So now I would like to switch to cybersecurity domain, and obviously for personal and professional development and prospect. This is what intention I have on my mind. So that's why I joined. I got the reference from one of my friend. He said go for Mr. Sulabh Mishra. This training is a very good training. So that's why I joined, and I hope in future also. Good luck for everyone, for me. Thank you, sir.
Great, good. So your camera was not working, you said?
No, it's working, but okay.
But not in the position.
Actually, I'm sitting in car, sir.
No problem. That's not a problem. Okay, fine then. Thank you, Adib, for joining.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So next is after Adib, AG Prasant. Next.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah. Good morning. I'm Prashant. I'm from Bangalore. I completed BE. After that, I joined as desktop support engineer. I'm having 3 years of experience in desktop support engineer. I'm from Bangalore location.
Bangalore location. Okay.
Yeah. BE in electronics and communication.
Electronics and
I'm having basic network CCNA class I have completed.
okay, okay. So when you have completed your graduation?
Graduation I completed in 2018.
18. Okay, 3 year experience you have.
2000.
Where are you staying in
Yeah,
Bangalore?
Bangalore, Vijayanagar.
Vijayanagar. Okay, okay. Vijayanagar is far from HSR layout. Okay, okay. Fine. Thank you, Prasant, for joining.
Yeah, thank you.
And next we have HR. HR, please go ahead. Guys, I will recommend you turn on the camera. If you are not in position, then only do not turn on. Otherwise, please turn on.
My name is Aisha, and I'm from US.
Please turn on your camera.
Oh, okay.
Please go ahead.
So I'm at work right now. Yeah. So my name is Aisha, and I'm in US. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, go
I'm
ahead.
in US. I'm in US, and I found your video on YouTube, and I was really interested. And then, so since 2022, I've been taking some classes for cybersecurity, and it was a struggle. But since I found your video on YouTube, and then I really see some change on my understanding.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that's why I want to go for it.
Okay, great. Great to hear that. But these mics that you are using are good for listening, actually, not for, not for speaking.
Oh, okay, okay.
So
All right.
normal mic is good. Normal mic
Oh,
is
okay.
good. These mics are good for
Okay.
listening, good for watching movies and everything. Normal
Yeah.
that we use generally cable mic or normal mic are good. These are not good. So maybe in
Okay,
future, if
thank
you
you.
ask a question, I will not be able to hear you properly.
All right, thank you, sir.
Can't
Yeah,
use
because I'm
normal
at work right now.
mic.
Yeah, I'm at work. I'm a nurse aide. Yeah.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Echa, for joining.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next, we have Ajit Nair. Ajit Nair. Okay. Akil Khan.
Yeah. Hi, Sula. Good morning.
Morning.
Yeah, my name is Akil Khan and I'm 24 years old.
Camera.
Am I audible?
Camera is not enabled.
Yeah, actually, I just waked up given I did not wash my face.
That's fine. Then. Go ahead.
Yeah, so I'm 24 years old and I am from Delhi. I
Mhm.
have total 3 years of experience in cybersecurity domain. I have worked on different security tools like SIM side, and I was just doing the monitoring, and I worked on a DLP, CashB, Netscope, and I'm good in ADR, CrowdStrike, and uh, and currently I am working as a proxy admin, and I'm managing the DNS security
Mhm.
umbrella, and I
Oh,
have completed Judge Diploma in mechanical.
mechanical diploma you have completed.
And yeah,
Okay, great. Thank you, Akhil, for joining.
you're welcome.
Next, we have who is next? Alisa. Alisa, are you available? Mic is not working. Okay, but make sure you fix it. Otherwise, you'll not be able to ask any question. Alka, go ahead.
Hello.
Yes,
Good morning, sir.
good
I'm
morning.
from Indore. I'm an engineering background. I have engineering background. Right now, I belong to academic section. I have a degree in electronics and instrumentation. As per the NEP rule, I have to also explore other stream also. That's why I'm joining this course.
Mhm. I mean, which rule? I did not understand.
NEP, New Education Policy.
Where is this rule implemented?
In academics.
So you you are a professor
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
in college,
In Indore, Vaishnav.
Vaishnav College. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay. So college, okay. So in college policy has been implemented.
No, no, no. Not at college, but it's my interest only. But later we have to do other courses also.
Okay, okay. Okay. So what's your objective now? After learning this, what will you do?
Actually, right now I'm pursuing my PhD in blockchain, and it is based on, and it is totally focusing on security.
Mhm.
That's why I'm pursuing this course.
Okay. 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 Great. Thank you, Alka, for joining. So
Thank
I
you.
hope you have laptop.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have.
So next
I
time
have laptop.
onwards, you have to join on a laptop only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, because the screen will be bigger. Otherwise, mobile you will not have good learning experience.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you. Next, Alphonse. Alphonse. Alphonse, please go ahead.
Hello, Prof. Sorry, I can't come on camera because I am in the dark.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so I'm currently in the US. I came across your video on YouTube, then I decided to reach out to you guys. So I do have some experience in Oracle database administration. Then I also completed my master's in cybersecurity management and policy.
Okay.
So at this time, I'm trying to switch career into cybersecurity. So that's why I'm so interested in doing stuff with you.
Okay, okay, great. So you're based out in the USA?
Yes, in Florida,
Okay.
precisely.
Okay. So your voice is not very clear. I think some issue in your mic. I will recommend you to have a check on your mic and fix it out.
Okay. Okay,
It's
Prof.
not very clear. Okay, so next
Okay.
word, if you have any question, I may not be able to understand.
Okay, Prof. I'll fix it. Thank you.
Got it. Okay, next. Who is next? After that, ML. ML Nair. Please go ahead.
Hi, sir.
Yes, ML, go ahead.
Sir, I'm from Kerala. I
Mhm.
have done my BTech in Electronics and Communication,
Your
and I'm
camera?
currently working. Oh, okay, sir. Hi, sir. Am I visible?
Yes.
Okay, sir. I have done my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, and currently I'm working as an business support associate.
Business?
So, process support associate, actually.
Process associate. Okay.
Yes, sir. So,
In
actually, I
graduation,
don't
what
have
you
any
have done?
previous
Graduation?
BTech in Electronics and Communication.
BTech in Electronics and Communication. Which year?
21 pass out, sir.
21. Okay.
Okay. So, I don't have any previous experience in cybersecurity. So I like to learn more about cybersecurity, and I like to find a
Why
find a
you want to
professional
learn
there.
cybersecurity?
Actually, I was quite interested in that, and also my friend referred here about that also.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you, sir.
Thank you, ML, for joining. Next, we have Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar. Anil Kumar. Arun Kumar.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Go ahead. Camera.
Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Arun Kumar, and I am from Bihar. And I have completed my graduation in BSc Chemistry in 2022. I don't have any experience in IT field. During past 2 years, I prepared for the government exam, but could not get any success in it.
Okay. Okay. That's the reason now you are thinking to come start in IT.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Fine. Thank you, Arun, for joining.
Welcome, sir.
थैंक यू। खाया पिया करो थोड़ा अरुण। खाओ पियो, जरा एनर्जी लेके आओ। ठीक, म्यूट कर दी माइक। ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। नेक्स्ट क्या है? नेक्स्ट हु इज नेक्स्ट? आशुतोष, आशुतोष कुमार।
Hi, good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग। कैमरा?
Yeah, just now visible, sir.
यस।
Good morning. Actually, this is Ashutosh. Actually, I have completed BTech in 2011, and around 10 years experience I have in 4 years in more than 4 years in the security operations center, and I left around like 7 year experience as a managerial experience. Like there's so many domains I have covered. Like as a team lead, I'm working in UCO Bank. Like I have like facilitated to the team around 7 to 8 people for like the DLP, NAC, and the SIM as well, like HP Arcside SIM, and the other domain also there, like the web application is there, and network behavior analysis is also there. Right now, I'm working in the job office in UCO Bank and looking the infrastructure part and the procurement part as well.
Okay. So what's your objective now? I mean, since
Yeah, actually, I want to move the specific domain actually. Yeah, in the cyber security, because actually I have concern about the transferring. I hope that you are aware with about the bank that so many transfer is going on every 1 year, 2 year. The transfer is the pan India job is there. So I want to move like in a specific domain, the security domain, and looking the position in the nearby, like the Delhi or Noida. So that's why I want to move in the security domain.
Okay.
And,
Okay. Means you don't have a
also
specific knowledge. You don't have deep dive knowledge in anything.
Yeah, I have worked on the same like the HP Arcside around the more than 4 years, but not like the implementation part. I have like the monitoring part. I'm looking the monitoring part.
Okay,
So
but it's been long
that's
now, and you think, I think you are thinking that you forgot, is it?
yeah, right. I'm just refreshing the things.
Okay, okay, okay. Good, good. Thank you, Ashutosh, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next, after Ashutosh, who? Avinash Kumar.
Yeah, hello Sulabh and team. My name is Avinash Kumar. I have completed my BTech in 2016, and after that, am I audible?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay. Yeah, after that, I have joined Genpact as a service desk engineer. I worked over there. After that, I have moved to Sapient, and I have worked over there for more than 5 years. So I'm having total overall 6+ years of experience in service desk. I'm currently also working in the service desk only, but it is complete from remote, so I'm working from home. I just want to switch this career into the cyber security because of the specific domain and the interest in this.
How did you get the interest?
Yeah, basically, my few colleague is working over there in the security team. So we used to have the interaction with them.
Right,
So,
you get the
yeah.
call from SOC team, right?
Yes.
You call to them for some issues, some incident happen, then they call.
Yes, exactly.
You get interact with
Yes.
SOC team, and you come to know that job is very good. They get respect and everything. Then you come to know.
Yeah, that is one of the part. The second thing is the job is very focused. You do not look into the everything, because in the service desk you need to work for everything,
Whatever incident
without
happens.
without having access or anything. You
Right.
don't know what is end result would be, but you need to follow everything. Yeah.
Everyone reach out to you.
Yes, exactly.
Correct. Great. Thank you for joining.
Thank you,
Avinash. Next is Bharat Kumar. Go ahead. Mute. You are in muted. You are not in mute, but your mic has problem. Better you remove. If it is not working, you remove. You use your inbuilt mic. Remove. No, I think you have not removed the cable. Remove the cable. No, it's not coming. You remove the keyboard and select computer mic on Zoom. Zoom, you have to select mic. You see in the left hand bottom, mic option is there, right? You select microphone. As same as system. Select same as system. I think not working. Okay, no problem. You fix it. Okay, next class. Fix it next class. Thank you, Bharat. I think you are from Bihar, है ना? We'll see you next class. But next class you fix it so that you can ask the question. You can introduce in the chat. You can share your introduction in the chat. Okay. Next is Bibin Thomas.
You can hear me?
Yes, but we can't see you.
Yeah. Yeah, in a few minutes.
Ah.
Yeah, now yeah.
Yes.
Hi. Good morning, everybody. Sir, good morning. So, my name is Bibin. I'm from the Kerala, Cochin. And currently I work in the US company in Miami. I'm like in the cruise ship actually. So I have experience only like maybe 3 years. I was in the ship as a bartender like 5 years. So I switched to IT because I complete my BCA before. So that's the interest when I have Corona happened. I learned more about the IT. So I just change. Now I working as a system admin. But they have plenty interview I pass, get the position. Like I wait for 1 year. So now I look in the course. This is very interesting actually. I see your YouTube video. It's nice. So I had to try to, because I'm not new also the cyber security. So I want to experience how's the going on, that's one.
Okay, great. So you want to switch your job to cyber security now?
Yeah, I tried to some job in Canada, but I look in the domain because more cyber security have the chances to go in any country. So try to switch that one.
Right. Canada, you'll have a lot of opportunity.
Yes.
Especially Splunk is demanded. In the US market,
yes,
Splunk is more demanded.
Yes, Splunk is cyber.
US, UK,
Yeah,
Splunk is most demanding.
Yes, good sir. Yeah, that is the thing. Is demanded domain actually, but you want to get to know about the experience. So that is very important here.
Good to know.
Thanks.
Thank you, Bipin, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, can you?
Yes, Bharat. Go ahead, unmute and go ahead. By mistakenly, I muted you. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Myself, Bharat, and I completed my graduation BTech in 2013 in information technology. So I worked as a talent acquisition specialist for more than 7 years. And I recently worked as a Genesis support engineer in Tech Mahindra. So I lost my job recently, so I want to switch to this SOC. So most of my friends, referred your class. So just want to join.
Okay, so how come how did you come to know about SOC, cyber security? I mean, you
So
are entirely from different background.
In Tech Mahindra, we have to interact with them for resoluting some issues, real-time issues, and I worked on on-premise servers actually in Genesis. So we have to join bridges with all the teams. So so I thought it's a good opportunity to move to SOC.
Okay, great to know that. Okay, thank you, Bharat, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, who is next? Next we have after Chandrappa.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, Chandra, good morning.
I am Chandra. I am from Karnataka. I completed the BE Electronics and Communication in the year of 2018. So after that, and in between, I have 2-3 years.
This mic is also not good.
It's not. Hello. Now I am audible.
Lot of background noise. Mic itself is creating a noise.
Okay, sir.
These kind of mics are all just good to see. No, not good to speak. Anyways, go ahead. We'll try to hear.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I have 2-3 years gap in between academic year because so I have 4 in mathematics, so I have backlogs in 2 or 3 subjects to take past 2-3 years. So that's why I completed last year, and I completed 2020 and passed out. That's what electronics communication. So currently I'm working in that ANZ. In that my role is AV support, like it's like tech support. AV audio video engineering. So I have experience in 3+ years. So that's why I want to switch in cybersecurity. So that's why I'm joining. So
Real experience you have in which domain?
that is audio video technician, audio video support engineer. Means like video conferencing rooms, meeting rooms is there. No? So we have to maintain that meeting rooms, video conferencing events. To joining the Cisco like video conference to Cisco
Video conferencing.
so that's why I work with that domain. So now I decided to move this and one of my colleagues working also in that SOC. He's told me this is one of the demand in this so that's why.
Okay, you are in video conferencing. You change your mic. Okay,
sir.
So you should do the audio testing also. You do video and audio testing, right? Before the VC.
Oh, yes.
You do your audio and video also.
Okay,
Video is
sir.
good, but audio is not good.
Okay, sir. I'll change.
Better you use any cable. 100 rupees mic also we use. Normal cable mic, that is also good, but this is not good. I
Okay, sir. Sure.
only able to hear your half discussion. I could not understand half, rest half.
Okay, sir. Next time I'll.
But next time if you ask question, maybe I will not get.
Okay, sir. Okay, sure.
Thank you,
Sure.
Chandra, for joining. You're
Okay,
from
sir.
basically from which location?
Now I'm currently I'm working. I'm Bangalore, sir. Now I'm in Bangalore.
Where in Bangalore?
Nagwar, sir. Manath Tech Park.
Manath Tech Park. Good.
Hebbal. It's near to Hebbal.
Okay, fine, Chandra. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Next we have Dilip Verma.
Sir, my name is my full name is Dilip.
Dilip
Sir,
Verma.
sir, video is not coming, sir.
You unmute
No,
video.
sir. No, sir. I had to start. Sir, I'm opening, sir, but not coming.
Maybe it is not detecting your camera then. Your Zoom is not detecting your camera.
Sir,
Okay,
it's
now.
Sir, my name is Dilip Harsha Verma.
Go ahead.
I had completed my engineering. I had studied electronics and communication engineering in Ballari, sir. Ballari Institute of Technology and Management, BITM, sir. That is short form is BITM, sir.
Which year?
Sir?
Which year?
2023, sir. Last year I had completed, sir.
So what you are eating in between?
Sir, sir?
Nothing. Go ahead.
Sir, I don't have any experience, sir. Now I have keen interest to learn this, sir. Learn this cybersecurity, sir.
You want to learn cybersecurity? Okay. So how did you get this interest?
Sir, when I am seeing your YouTube video, means I understanding how it explaining video, sir. That's why.
How did you get the interest in cybersecurity? Why cyber?
Sir, means that my cousins also working there also. But I also interested in I also interested in that proxy SIM and routers and domain name systems like HTTPS. I am interested, sir. The specific domain IP addresses like that's why I'm interesting theory. I getting interesting in this is only, sir. Why I was watching videos in your when I have sent us that videos that.
But this training will be very deep dive. Are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
Ready? Okay.
Deep.
Deep dive. Deep dive training.
Okay, sir.
So you're ready, right?
Ready, sir.
Okay. Okay then. Fine. Thank you, Dilip, for joining.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. Next we have Dinesh Bhatt. Dinesh. Dinesh.
Hello.
Yes, Dinesh, go ahead.
Hello, sir. I am audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Sir,
But not
my name is
visible.
Dinesh Bhatt.
You're not visible.
Actually, sir, my camera is not working right now.
Okay, okay, go ahead.
Sir, my name is Dinesh Bhatt. I basically from Delhi. I have completed my diploma in mechanics engineering. Then I completed my BTech in mechanical engineering.
Which year?
Last year, sir.
Last year, okay.
2023.
Uh-huh.
In between, I was working in GIS engineering job, which is basically a data analyst. Okay, but sir, as I can see, I'm not getting enough. So I changed my domain to cybersecurity.
Okay. Data analyst, which tools you worked as a data analyst? I mean, you got trained or something.
Data analyst in GIS engineering, geographical information system.
I mean, tools you worked?
Yeah. There are so many tools. One is Map Info, ArcGIS.
Acha. Power BI you did not work, did not get trained?
No, sir. Microsoft Power BI, no.
Power BI is one of the famous tool, right, for data analyst?
Yeah.
Power BI is not explored. Okay.
Sir, I'm basically totally new in this cybersecurity.
No, I'm the one with data. You said, right, data analyst you learn, right? Data analyst.
Yeah.
Okay. That is what I was asking. Data analyst mean Power BI, one of the tool for data analysis.
Oh.
So that is what I was checking. Anyways, so you want to switch to cybersecurity now?
Yeah, sir. I want to seek my career in the cybersecurity domain.
Okay. Good. Okay. Thank you, Dinesh, for joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
So next is next we have who is next after Dinesh? Durga.
Hi everyone, myself Durga Vaidehi. I am from Hyderabad location. I have total 6+ years of experience. Currently, I would like to switch to my technology to cybersecurity.
6 years, what experience you have? Which field?
I worked in mostly Java related technologies, like I worked like enhancements and maintenance projects.
Okay, so what is the reason you want to switch?
Like I would like to cross skill my technology. Means I am not that much interested in Java. Like I mostly worked on legacy technologies in Java. So I would like to cross skill my technology to cybersecurity.
Okay, so you don't see much interest on that.
Yeah. Plus I worked on legacy technologies.
Okay, good. So you want to see, I mean, you don't feel that.
Yeah, I would like to continue on the new technology with interest and.
Okay, great. Thank you, Durga, for joining.
Thank you.
Next we have Ethel. Ethel, go ahead.
Okay, finally. I thought I was going to be the last.
It's going on with alphabetical order. A will come first. Alphabetical
okay, I
order.
see.
A will come first.
Okay.
In college also, right?
Yeah.
In practical viva, A will come first. Z will come last.
Okay.
Go ahead and start your camera also. We can't see you.
Oh, I have an issue with my camera, unfortunately.
Okay.
My camera is bad. So I will get it when I will get a new laptop, hopefully. and I'm going to turn it on for you guys to see me. So
Okay, no problem. Go
yeah,
ahead.
for now, just pardon me. Yeah. So yeah, I'm Ethel though. I'm based in the US. My background is in business and technology. So I have about 4 years of experience in tech, 3 years in identity and access management. I mean, that's part of, I don't know if that's part of cybersecurity, because I know there are people who say, oh, identity and access management is separate from cybersecurity, which I don't think so. I feel like it's a branch under cybersecurity. Yeah, then the other one was in analytics, so analytic practitioner. Yeah, so the reason why I decided to switch to SOC is mainly due to the flexibility. So I think SOC is flexible, especially with the work schedule. And also I think I am interested in the job responsibilities compared to what I was doing. I feel like it's a more, attractive field compared to IAM. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay.
Yeah, and one more question. I have a question for you. To the instructor. Yeah, so you've mentioned the different tools that we are going to be learning in this section and stuff. I wanted to ask about scripting. Are we going to learn any scripting language in relation to SOC? For example, maybe something in the Linux side or like PowerShell with Microsoft? Because I noticed most of the jobs too here in the US, they usually request some kind of scripting for, SOC jobs. So I don't know if that is really relevant and if that's something that you have ever thought of adding into the curriculum.
So your answer is 95% SOC analysts will not do any programming.
Okay.
So programming is not required. If you have knowledge of any scripting language such as Python knowledge, it will add an advantage for doing some kind of automation. Otherwise, it's not required.
Okay.
Yeah, it will
All right.
will not be learning.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Next is after that we have, after Ethel, we have Gabriel. Go ahead. Gabriel, go ahead. Gabriel, are you there? Gurleen? Gurleen?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, please.
Hi, everyone. So I'm Gurleen. I'm basically from Canada. So I moved to Canada 3 years back and I completed here my studies in web design and development.
It seems you're from
Although,
India and you are in Canada right now.
yes. So I completed my BTech from India in 2020. And in 2021, I moved to Canada. So I don't have any experience back in India as well. So right away, like without any gap, I moved here and I completed my post graduation in web design and development. But after my graduation over here, I had very hard time in landing a job in development due to lack of experience, since here it requires experience. So currently, I am doing the job of like a technical support representative, which is a monotonous job, which they really don't have anything about programming or so. So which is why I don't have now interest in programming, because even though I want to switch into programming, it will be the experience which will be required to land on any job on development. So I really want to have an hands of experience in cybersecurity. Although, Sulabh, I don't know anything about cybersecurity or networking, like you were talking about, you will be giving the brief introduction, and so I really don't know anything, any topics about networking. So it will be from scratch for me. So, which is why I just want to have a knowledge and hands-on experience, since like I see the cybersecurity works parallel with development. So that's why I just want to give insight into this and want my career in and switch basically switching my side towards this cybersecurity or networking. So looking forward for it.
Okay. Okay. Great.
Thank you.
Thank you, Gurleen, for joining. Guys, whoever joined with mobile, I will recommend you next time and join with next one onward, join with laptop only. It's not a generic training. Okay. So next time onwards, join with so next is who is next? Hello, I'm audible. Okay. So next is
yes, I can hear you.
Next is Hamza. Hamza, go ahead.
Hello, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Okay, so let me just turn on my video for a while as I'm in a bunker bed. So I'll just turn it off for now.
Yes.
I'm sleepy little. Okay, so my name is Hamza and I'm from Pakistan basically. And now I'm in UAE doing job as an IT engineer.
We can't see
I
you.
completed.
I think we can't see you right now.
Okay, so
now it's good. Go ahead.
okay. So I'm working as an IT engineer in Dubai. I've completed my master's in computer back in 2020, and then I started some trainings in CCNA and MCSE. So I took a job in IT support, and it was a plan to shift to cybersecurity. Then I did CEH back in 2022. Okay, but unfortunately, I couldn't grab a job in cybersecurity, and luckily, I got an opportunity from UAE, so I moved here. Since I'm working here for a year and a half, okay, and then my visa is going to be expire in next 6 to 7 months. So it was a
Okay.
plan to get a training and then shift my job to the cybersecurity because
Okay.
I'm doing as an IT support, which includes server configurations, firewall, blah blah blah, but it is not something specific.
Right.
So of course, getting into cybersecurity as a SOC analyst is the first step, and which is like quite easy. But I think it could be different for others, and then we can move to pen test and blah blah blah. There are like so many other options. So, but I have a question that I've already searched for the jobs, and I can see they requires 2 to 3 years experience in the stock, and they are they're asking for the high, high end certifications like GSEC and blah blah blah. So that has to be like I want you to brief us about the experiences that how we can tackle this challenge, and that's it. And I'm liking the way you are making this environment comfortable for everyone to speak, and that's it. By the way, how I found your trainings, I was searching on YouTube for some free sort of trainings, and then I realized, okay, there is nothing free in the cybersecurity. And I watched your videos and watched your reviews on the Google, and I decided to get a training from you. That's it.
Okay.
Thank you
Okay.
very
Great.
much.
Thank you, Hamza, for joining. Thank you. Next we have Harish Chaudhary. Go ahead.
Hello, sir.
Yes, go ahead, Harish. Your video is not on.
Sir, I couldn't turn on. Surely, I have a family where few
Acha,
people
acha.
have beside.
Okay, no problem. Go ahead.
Hello, sir. I'm Harish. I completed my graduation in 2016 in computer science, and after that, I used to work on BPO, like in Airtel, and I after worked as a team leader in RBL Bank as a customer service. Later, like 1 year back, I joined in cybersecurity in SOC. I worked on threat hunting. So we use the tool called EDR. Sorry, Sentinel-1.
Okay.
So we do basically static and dynamic analysis in that. Yeah, that's what means. And I want to learn about like in threat hunting, we have only like analysis part of basic tickets. So I want to learn more about SOC, and that is
Because you
why.
only work on EDR. You did not
Yes,
work
yes.
on part.
Yes, sir. Yes,
It's
sir.
only about the endpoint. You
Yeah,
didn't know
about
about the network. You don't know about the security devices logs, right?
Yes, sir.
SIM is the main tool in the SOC. EDR is
Yeah,
also
that,
required, but without SIM, SOC is not completed.
yeah, we have only few things to learn, so I want to learn everything. So I
Good,
joined.
good. EDR definitely is going to help you. Sentinel-1 is also good. CrowdStrike is leader in the market, but
Okay.
definitely different. But Sentinel-1 is also will added an advantage. Definitely, knowledge is not going to get waste anywhere. So, but
Okay,
here
sir.
once you learn SIM, definitely you will become, you'll get a good growth once you switch your profile.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Harish, for joining. Next
Thank you,
we
sir.
have Wislin, J Wislin, Wislin, Jiba. Go ahead. Please go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Merlin, sir. I'm from Bangalore. Actually, I finished my civil engineering and
Okay,
I
your
worked
camera is not working.
10 years.
Camera is not working.
No, sir, it is start.
Acha,
Now
acha.
I think it's working.
Okay. Okay. I think we can see you now.
So I was working in 10 years in civil engineering field. Then after my baby, I quit my job. Then I am at home only. One of my friends suggested to do this and get some opportunities are there in the market. So you can get some job. So for
Okay.
that purpose, I joined, sir.
Okay. Which year you have done graduation?
2004, sir.
2004. Okay. Okay.
2004, I finished my civil engineering.
Civil engineering.
So then after 10 to 12 years, I worked in that architectural and civil engineering field.
Okay. Okay.
So after
Okay.
my baby, so I quit the job.
Okay. I will recommend you to take a broadband connection for another 3 months. You have broadband
Sir.
connection? You don't have. Mobile you have connected.
Okay, sir.
Because you might
Yes, sir.
face a
I
challenge.
have, but this. I think this laptop has some issue. So that
Because
is the reason
connectivity, you have
it was
connectivity
breaking the
problem.
voice.
You have
Okay,
connectivity
sir.
problem. During the class, you might have challenge.
Yes, sir. So I'll get it repaired, sir.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Merlin, for joining. Your name is so big. Your name is so big. I thought you are from
You can
outside.
call me wisely normally, sir.
I thought you are from USA.
No, sir. I'm from here,
Name your
Bangalore.
name suggest like that. Anyways, thank you for joining.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Next we have, who is next? Josie. Josie, go ahead.
Hello, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, go ahead.
Yes, my name is Josie Edang. I'm an AWS cloud engineer with about 7 years of experience. Throughout my career, I've had the opportunity to work as an AWS engineer in many capacities. Like sometimes I'll be an architect, and the other time I'm actually the engineer that is actually implementing these solutions. And I come to realize that my field has a lot of complexity, and sometimes you tend to forget what you already learned because you get hired as an engineer, then you get to do an architect's job, and then you get to forget what you came for. So my last position, I came across vulnerability management, which I was tasked to manage, coordinated disclosures. So I laid my hands on some documentation that I had to read about SOC and what they do, and I was fascinated. So I started digging, and I reached out to some friends who are in the field, and they recommended me to you. And I looked you up on YouTube, and I was fascinated with what you with your lectures. So I wanted to be a part of this community and see how things go from here. By the way, I'm from the US, and I'm located in Dallas, Texas, precisely. And I have a bachelor's degree in computer science.
Okay, okay. So what's your objective of learning cybersecurity? I mean, you want specific to whole SOC or?
Yes. Yes, at this point, I'm not only trying to learn SOC, I'm trying to learn SOC as well as learn other cybersecurity aspect like the HIPAA in the US and other ones like the how to call it, to manage vulnerabilities and stuff like that. There are a lot of other cybersecurity branches in the US that I can learn. However, I want to do something that is more specific like SOC, because when it comes to SOC, I realize that the job is more focused on that aspect of, reading those logs and stuff like that. So I want something that is really hands-on that I can focus on. And if you wake me up in my sleep, I'll tell you something about it, and I don't, doubt it. So SOC is very focused, and that's something that I need right now in my life, as opposed to be everywhere with AWS and stuff. However, I appreciate my experience in AWS, and I believe that too might come in handy as an advantage for me.
Okay, okay, great, great. Thank you, Josie, for joining.
You're welcome, sir.
Thank you.
And
sorry, I have to unmute you. You have to unmute again. Unmute.
Yeah, quick question for you. I just had a quick question for you. Like, are you going to give us provide those videos of the class after each class so that we can rewatch those videos and maybe
No,
make notes?
as I mentioned, anyways, I'm going to tell you that initial sessions are not going to share with anyone. Once we start the practical session on the Splunk, then every day's class will be shared. So in case you miss any class, then you have to inform me personally. So temporary link will be shared. So you understand? Every day's class have not been shared because, see, here, our classes are not generic class. If I share the recording from day one, what will happen is one person will join and their friend, everybody will join for free, will watch for free, and they'll get the job. In my class, people are joining for reference only. You will join, your friend will join, your brother will join, your relative will join. In my class, 70% people are joining for references only because of the quality of training. So I'm here to support you, but we have to support ourselves also. So you'll get the notes. You have to create the notes. We'll be creating the notes here. You'll get the notes as well. So initial classes will not be shared. Once we start the practical classes will be starting. We'll start sharing the group only. Link will be shared. And in case you miss any class, you have to inform me personally before the class.
Sure.
Temporary link will be shared.
Sure.
Okay.
And last question for you. Is there any preference for your laptop OS, or maybe Mac OS or Windows? Or which?
I will recommend you to have Windows laptop. Windows laptop, minimum 4 GB RAM. If it is 8 GB, that if you are going to buy, then it should be 8 GB. 4 GB is very minimal. It is something may not work in 4 GB, but if you have 4 GB, that's fine. It may work, but 8 GB is recommended. Windows 10 onwards.
Windows 10 onward. Okay. So of course I'm a Mac guy. I don't know if I could use like a parallel on my desk, on my lap, on my Windows.
Mac, I'm saying Mac because when you connect to the lab, so you have to connect to the VPN to connect my lab. 40 client VPN. The 40 client VPN, sometime it connects for sometime Mac it supports, sometime it do not connect. So sometimes some people face some challenges. Even I use Mac, so sometimes I myself face some issues in connecting to my own network using 40 client VPN. So that is the reason. It has some known issues.
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Guys, just give me one moment. Okay, just 1 moment. I'm coming. 1 moment. Give me. I'm just coming.
Yes.
Okay, so next after Joshi, who is the next? Kanhaiya Singh. Kanhaiya Singh, go ahead.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, go ahead.
My name is Kanaya and I am from Bihar. I have done my BTech in 2020 and from last 2 years I am working as a SOC analyst. My main reason is why I am here is to enhance my knowledge and understanding new SIM tools. That's the main reason.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you, Kanhaiya, for joining.
Yeah. Sorry for the disturbance. Okay.
No problem, no problem. Thank you, Kanhaiya, for joining.
Yeah, thank you.
Working from home?
No, I'm not working from home. Actually, I'm currently I'm in Mumbai and I have to go.
Okay. Which company working?
Yeah. Should I reveal or not?
Okay.
Comfortable now.
Fine.
I'm working in eProtect 360 Solutions Private Limited.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you, Kanhaiya, for joining. Okay.
Yeah.
You can leave. Next we have after Kanhaiya, Kotapalli Lakshman Kumar. Lakshman Kumar, go ahead. After that, Laks. First, Lakshman Kumar.
Yeah, hi, sir.
After him, Laks should be ready. Go ahead, Lakshman.
Yeah, hi, sir. Yeah, my name is Lakshman Kumar. I completed my graduation in BSc, BJC in 2022. After completion of my graduation, I done course in SAP FICO in Coursera, but I'm not looking in SAP because I'm graduation in BSc, right? So they not prefer BSc students for SAP. So that's why I am trying in SOC analyst. Actually my brother also working in a CP as a SOC analyst. He suggests me to join in your classes. So
Okay,
that's why
okay.
I'm
Okay, okay. Which year you have done? 2020?
2022.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay, great. Thank you for joining, Lakshman.
I have one more question.
Yes.
Actually, I have 2 years gap from 2022 from still now. I can join as a fresher or otherwise I need to keep
You can
any
showcase
experience.
2 year. You have gap, right?
Yeah, 2 years.
Okay, so 2 year experience you can showcase.
Okay,
That
sir.
will be good.
Thank you.
Thank you, Lakshman, for joining.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Next, we have next Laksh Sharma. Go ahead.
Yes, good morning.
Morning.
Yes, good morning, everyone. My name is Lakshay, and I am currently in Seattle, US, pursuing my education in cybersecurity. I had a startup in India, Chandigarh. I used to work there till 2022. Then I moved to US here, and from the last 2 years, I have read a lot about cybersecurity, but my main objective here for this class is that I wanted to have some practical exposure. So I am really looking forward to your class and learning more about SOC, SIEM, and EEDR solutions and gain some practical knowledge. I have cleared my Security Plus exam and I have read and have a little bit of hands-on experience on many security tools, secure coding, SOAR, SIEM, and many other softwares and technologies. I am aware of a lot of, most of these security domains, but I was looking for something more hands-on. So really looking forward for your class.
So what you're doing currently in USA? Working?
I am pursuing my master's here.
Pursuing master's.
Yes, it is mostly based on management as well as cybersecurity. So not fully technical. So that's why I was looking something focused more on technical side.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you, Lux, for joining.
Thank you.
Okay, next is Leela. After that, Lokis. After Leela, Lokis. Go ahead, Leela.
Yeah,
Your mic, your camera.
Yeah, can you hear me, sir?
Yes, we can hear you, but we cannot see you. Now
Yeah,
we
now?
can see you. Yes. we can.
Yes, yes. Good morning, all. So, myself, Leela Shri, and I'm from Bangalore. I completed BCom in 2018. So, about my experience, so I have done experience in like accountant. That was I'm working, but currently I'm working as a customer service manager and also a trainee. So I wanted to change my domain. So that's why I'm joining in IT. So I don't have any experience in IT. Means,
Okay.
yeah.
In
So
graduation, what you have done? Graduation.
BCom
Which year?
2018.
2018.
Yeah.
So you want to switch your career to cybersecurity.
Yes.
Why cybersecurity?
Sorry, sir.
Why cybersecurity?
So one of my friend has already working in IT. Oh yeah, he has recommended me. So we do have in IT, we do have a more job opportunities. So I wanted to switch my career in IT.
Okay. I hope you have done your own research as well.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Great. Thank you, Leela, for joining.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Next, Lokesh, go ahead.
My name is Lokesh Agnihotri, and I have done my graduation in Bachelor's of Business Administration, and I have also done my post-graduation in Bachelor of Business Administration in Finance and IT. Currently, I have no experience of IT or cybersecurity.
Which year you have done graduation?
Graduation in 2020 and post-graduation in 2023.
Achha, graduation 2020, right? So you did not
Yes,
work,
sir.
right? You did not work anywhere, right?
Yes, yes, yes. I'm fresher.
Achha, you had 2 years gap, you can see, after graduation.
Yeah.
Post-graduation
No,
does not
sir.
matter.
No,
Post-graduation.
no.
I mean, you can utilize that gap. That's what I'm saying. You can
Yes,
utilize
yes,
that gap. It's good to have gap. Instead
Okay.
of having no gap, it is good to have gap actually.
Okay.
Okay, good. Thank you, Lokesh, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next is Madhvi. See, always, guys, it's good to have gap. Instead of having no gap, it's good to have gap. People having no gap, it's good to have gap. People working, it's good to not working. Next is Madhvi. Go ahead.
Hello everyone. Sorry, I can't turn on my camera. I'm outside actually.
Okay, no problem. After Madhvi, Mahesh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Go ahead.
I'm from Hyderabad. Currently I'm working in Google. So like my motive to join the cybersecurity is in non-IT. I have experience around 3 years, but like in non-IT, sometimes you have to work beyond work hours, and I feel all the time you don't get paid what you're working for. And also, anyhow, non-IT will get automated in next 10 years maybe. But like my friends are working in cybersecurity right now. They always say that you don't find recession in cybersecurity. And if you wanted to switch to IT, so this is the best domain you can change. And I am from, I've completed Master of Computer Applications. But still, I chose non-IT as my job because that time we don't have much opportunities and I don't have anyone to guide on. So that's why now I wanted to switch my career to cybersecurity.
So you are working in Google or for Google?
No, in Google I'm
Payroll
working.
of other company.
No, not as a vendor. I'm directly reporting to Google employee. Google, yeah.
Google employee?
Yes, correct.
Google?
You heard me right.
How come Google is taking a lot of work?
Yes, like I'm working in digital marketing, so it's comparatively different to other domains. You know, whatever you see out from outside, it's different to what you're working inside. And this coaching, I like my friend, my colleague told me he already took training from this center. So like he told me, he perfectly told me if you wanted to switch, if you wanted to take coaching, this is the best. This is the best, he said. So I didn't even research. I didn't even watch your videos. So directly, I just paid them on that. So Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
looking forward.
Okay. Great.
Yeah.
So that is what I was thinking. Like you are working in Google Ads. You are working, right? Google Ads.
Yes, correct. Google Ads.
Google Ads. I think who has said the number, because one of the lady also had joined, like you last time. What is
Like,
her, who has suggested you?
Vamsi. His name is Vamsi.
Acha. One of I think one of the female who had joined last time. She also used to work in Google
I
Ads.
think he took coaching like long back ago, I guess.
Okay.
Yeah.
I thought maybe these Google and these Google companies are hiring third party payroll for Google Ad, handling this Google Ad. I was not aware.
Yeah, before they have like they give these services, Google Ads services and every to vendor role, but now like they created own team for the digital marketing and Google Ads.
And Google payroll.
Yes, we do have. Yes, but digital marketing and Google Ads role. Yes, we do have so many benefits in Google, but work so it's not like that. And anyhow, non-IT will get automated in next coming years. So I wanted to switch.
Okay. I thought must be payroll people must be getting very good package and everything. Google payroll.
No, package is also less, and also I joined there as a less experience, and I don't have any prior experience in digital marketing. So we got like there are some set of people who joined like me without any digital marketing experience. So they hired us for very less package.
Okay.
So like we are working more beyond what when compared to senior employees. So yeah.
Okay. Anyways, thank you, Badvi, for joining.
Yeah. So thank you so much.
Next, who was the next? Mahesh, go ahead. Mahesh, please go ahead. Mahesh not listening. Michael. Michael is not there. Then this name, Midatala. After that, Midatala. Go ahead.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Adim.
Good morning, one and all.
How
Yes,
do
myself Adim.
Your name is?
Midatala Adimurthy.
Midatala Adimurthy. Name thoda sa different hai. Midatala Adimurthy. I was thinking how to pronounce this name. Midatala Adimurthy. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. I have done my graduation in 2013, sir. After that, I joined in one of banking. So after that, yes, sir. After that, one of my friend is I learned about cyber security. So after I joined an organization, and now in 2024 I resigned there. So now I'd like to take your more things. I just want to learn from you, sir.
Okay. So you already joined cybersecurity job?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Working, right?
No. I'm not working currently, sir. I just want to take more things in cybersecurity.
Okay. So you are not working. You want to learn. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Madhyadala, for joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Next is next after him. Next is Muhammad Kasif. After him, Muhammad Imran. Muhammad Kasif. After Muhammad.
Hello.
Go ahead. Please go ahead.
Hello, good morning, sir, and good
Morning.
morning.
You have, I think, go ahead. Network problem. Internet problem.
My
network problem.
name is Mohammed Kashif.
Mute your video, maybe audio, and let me mute your video, maybe audio you may have. Let me stop your video. taking.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Now I muted your video. Now you use your mic. Go ahead.
Yes, my name is Mohammad Kashif. I am currently in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. I am from Hyderabad. I completed my undergraduation from Bachelor's of Technology in Information Technology.
Okay.
And I do not have any current experience as of right now. I completed in 2022 December.
Okay.
And after that, I have done few certifications like Cisco Certified Network Associate and CompTIA Security Plus. The main objective of attending this class is to get the hands-on experience on the SOC role and land a job here in Saudi Arabia.
So
as a
currently,
SOC
what are you doing
analyst.
there? Currently, what are you doing there?
I am here at for visit, sir.
Acha. Visit for how long?
Yeah, I will be staying here until May.
May. Till the time you have to find out the job.
Currently, I am thinking of after completing this course, I am going to start finding the job.
But March, April, May. But you will not have time, right? Till the time training will not be completed. You'll have to go and come back, or you have to find out some other jobs.
Yes, sir. Right now, my main objective is to complete this training,
Complete the
and after
training.
completing this training, I will start job hunting.
Okay, okay, fine. But you have internet problem. Okay, so fix it because you have bandwidth issue.
Okay, sir.
You turn on your video, it was not clear.
Okay, okay, sir.
You will have problem while I was explaining on the board. It will take more bandwidth. Okay, thank you, Kasi, for joining. Next is
Okay.
Imran. Imran.
Thank you, sir.
Next is Imran.
Good morning. Can you see me?
Yes, we can see you, Imran. Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Imran, and I'm Cisco certified in cybersecurity and networking. And I'm just want to specialize in the incident response. And I'm from Pakistan, but basically I live in Australia, but in Pakistan at the moment. So I'm planning to go there. So thank you.
Okay, so what's your objective?
Yeah, I just want to be proficient in cyber incident response and that network forensics. That's my target. And I've just also done that Android penetration testing and stuff like that. I was more into ethical hacking. Then I saw your video and explained that SOC is a better option because penetration testing is not a daily job. So that's why I joined your course.
Okay, okay, great. Thank you, Imran, for joining. Next is after Imran, who is next? Muhammad Abdul Karim. After that, Mukesh Chaurasia. After that, Nurse Simraj.
Hello.
Yes, Abdul, go ahead.
Okay. Myself, Muhammad Jasim Abdul Karim. I'm from Dubai. I have more than 15 years experience in different domains like routing, switching, wireless, telephony, securities. Okay. And right now, actually, I want to get something like SIEM. Okay, because my opinion is that this side is missing from my profile. Actually, my company has focused on the OT business, OT security business. Okay. Actually, I was trying to get the training in the QRadar because QRadar is more near to the OT security than the Splunk. But from the YouTube, I got you. Okay, and then I joined you. Okay, I'm here with you.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you, Abdul, for joining.
Can we change the this session time to the Indian 10 o'clock? Possible?
Is it not possible? Because we have already communicated a time, right? It's a batch of 100 people. It is not possible to change the time. It will impact everybody. 10 o'clock, if we change in the USA time, it will be 1 o'clock in the midnight. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Midnight, 1 o'clock.
Okay.
Anyway, these guys are joining 11 o'clock in the midnight.
Okay.
So
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Next. What name I said next?
Muktesh.
Mukesh, go ahead.
Good morning.
Good morning.
My name
Camera.
is Muk.
Camera is not on.
Yes, sir. Unfortunately, it's not working or something. It's
Not working.
showing me an error
Okay,
that
okay. Go ahead.
failed to start video camera or something.
Okay, I have no
Yeah.
problem. Go ahead.
So I don't know, it's not reading or something. Zoom is not reading or something. Yeah.
Okay.
So basically, I'm from Indore itself. I completed my MBA in 2021. Currently, I'm working in as an account payable in University of Detroit Mercy. And I got your reference from one of my friend. He was your past student.
Okay.
Yeah.
Currently, what are you doing?
I'm an account payable in University of Detroit Mercy
Okay.
since last year.
Since last year. Okay. What's your objective now?
I just want to, for better opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Better opportunity. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mukesh, for joining.
Muktesh.
Muktesh, sorry, Muktesh.
Yes. No, it's okay.
Mukesh is very common name.
Yeah. People usually get confused about my name.
Muktesh is uncommon. Why Mukesh is very common?
Yes, sir. It's pure Sanskrit.
What we read is what we wanted to read.
Exactly.
What do you want to read? Thank you, Muktesh, for joining.
Thank you, sir, for
Next
having
is
us.
Narasim Raj. Narasim Raj. Please go ahead. Nasim Raj. Not there. Nitin Saxena. Nitin Saxena.
Hello, sir.
Go ahead. Hello.
Hello, Sulabh, sir. Very good morning, everybody.
Morning. You're looking like Dawn.
Sorry. Sorry for my appearance.
Go ahead, Nitin. I was just kidding.
Yeah, so Sulabh, sir, I have around 13 years of experience in which I worked for Infosys, later on worked for Tech Mahindra. So I worked on CRM domain for Siebel and Salesforce. Later on, actually, I was working on production support projects. So therefore, I have worked on many other applications as well.
Okay.
So I have too much knowledge about many applications, but not in-depth knowledge. I don't have that much. So in my previous project, I was working on Splunk. So I was searching on YouTube, and I got to I watched your one of Splunk video on YouTube. So I thought that it would be better if I get directly from Splunk Guru. So I joined this so that I can switch my career as well towards Splunk and security analyst job. If I can get my big role, my next big role in that. So that's why I joined this.
Okay, okay. Great to hear that. Thank you, Nitin, for joining. So basically, you're from which place?
I am from Aligarh.
Aligarh.
Right now, working from home. So working in Aligarh, and previously I worked in Bangalore, UK, and Pune, Chennai, multiple places.
Okay, so working from home now. Okay, great to hear that. Thank you, Nitin, for joining.
Thank you, Sulabh.
Next, we have who is next? After Nitin, we have Aurangati Srinivasu. After that, we have Parul. Aurangati Srinivasu. Aurangati is not listening. Parul, you can go ahead.
Hi, myself Parul Sania. I'm from New Jersey. I did my graduate in 1994. I did my micro BSc. running my own business. Right now, I'm working in the dental office. I recently finished my cybersecurity course with the University of Texas. It was a course by e-learning, great learning.
Great learning. Okay.
I got my CompTIA Plus certification, and I found you from YouTube videos. I watch all of your videos regarding the network, all those 7 free classes. I found you from YouTube and I have joined you currently.
Okay. Great. So what's your objective of learning cybersecurity now?
Just a better opportunity.
So, I mean, you mentioned that when you have gotten your graduation?
1994.
1994. Okay. Since then, what you are doing?
I had my own business. I ran my
Business.
own business in a mall, for 17, 18 years, And then afterwards, I started working with dental office. By that time, my daughters were grown up, so I have free time to switch my career, do something good.
It's good.
And
It's good. It's good to hear that now you have that kind of energy that you wanted to start something different, something new. It's good to hear that. General people give up and do not think to start anything new.
Yes.
Good to hear that, and good to see the kind of energy that you have still. And you did couple of courses, you explore in YouTube, you joined the training, still you are exploring a lot of things. It's really appreciated and good to see the kind of energy that you are having.
Thank you so much, sir.
Definitely you can do that. And I
I'm
see,
so
and
I'm so glad I found you.
I really feel motivated by listening these words from you.
Oh, thank you so much, sir.
At this period of time, you are still having that kind of energy. You are thinking to change. You are thinking still you want to learn new things. Really appreciate it.
And you also motivated me because I just loved the way you are teaching. I just loved it because that good thing I found you on YouTube. So as soon as I found you, I told my husband that I'm going to learn definitely from this guy.
Thanks for your feedback. Thank you, Parul, for joining. Okay, so basically from USA only, born and brought up from USA only.
No, I was born in Gujarat. I'm from India.
Okay, you're
Yes.
from India only. Okay, so
Moved
how long?
here in 1999. Yeah.
Okay, for 1999 okay, so your appearance look like now American appearance you become like.
Oh yeah, of course. We are now. From these many years, actually, kids taught us how to be Americanized. We want to be Desi, because my heart is Desi, of course.
Great to see you here. Thank you, Parul, for joining.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi.
Next, who was next? Aurangzeb, go ahead.
Yeah, hi sir. This is Srinivas. I am from Hyderabad.
Go ahead.
I'm from Hyderabad, and I have completed my MTech in cybersecurity in 2019. And after that, I have 3 years of experience in cybersecurity. It's offensive. I developed the CTF challenges like that. It is mainly on creating the course content on cybersecurity like that. And right now I want to switch to the defensive side.
Okay.
That's why I'm looking into the space.
I could hear only half. Partially, I could hear you, so I could not hear you fully. Better you use better mic next time onward. Okay, your mic quality is not.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, next time you use better mic. Test it. Okay, thank you, Aurangzeb, for joining. Next we have Pasu Puliti Sridhar, then Prabeen.
Hi,
After
sir.
that, Pradeep. Go ahead.
Yeah, I am Sridhar. I am from Anantapur, Andhra Pradesh. I have completed BCom Computers in 2017. After that, I have in 2021 I have joined in Genpact as a process associate. after that, I have worked on data analyst, like Power BI tools, Power BI and SQL. The 6 months back, I lost my job due to layoff actually in Franklin actually.
Okay. So how was your experience in working in Power BI?
Yeah, it's fine actually, but it is very it is very simple to understand everyone to get the job. Actually, right now I have only around 3 years of experience, but everyone wants 6+ years of experience and some other tools also, including those. That's why last 6 months I was searching for job, but I didn't get much opportunities to.
Not much opportunity in data.
Yes, yeah.
Just hold on. Just hold on 1 moment. Just hold on 1 moment. Hello. 1 moment. I got a call. Just 1 moment. Hello. Yes, Sridhar, go ahead. Sridhar, go ahead, please. Sorry.
Yeah, one of my friends has been suggested this one actually, cybersecurity to get opportunity. Actually, there is a good opportunity in cybersecurity.
So you did your own research as well, I hope.
Yes, yeah. I have seen your YouTube videos.
I hope you have done research over the internet also.
Yes, yeah.
Don't follow anybody blindly. If anybody, your friend is telling something, that's good, but we should do our own research as well.
Yeah.
Google is the best teacher, right? We have various. See, your friend can tell you lie, or anybody can tell you anything, but Google is someone who will be neutral and will be doing the right suggestion, because we have so many resources, so many sources of information. So do not follow anybody blindly. We should do our own research before we do anything. Okay. Thank you, Sridhar, for joining.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Next, next is after Sridhar. Who is next? Who was the next after him? Pradeep.
Hello.
Yes, go ahead. After that, Praveen, then Prahlad.
Hello.
Yes.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Myself, Pradeep. I am from Hyderabad. Currently, my location is Hyderabad. I have completed my MTech in computer science in 2014.
Okay.
Since last 6 years, I am in Indian Overseas Bank IT department.
Okay.
Taking care their development in Oracle and with application security.
Okay.
So luckily, I just cleared my CSSP exam also, but I don't have any experience in hands-on in the SOC tools, I think, which is necessary to get a job.
Right.
So I serve in NAT. I also spoke to your ma'am is Uma ma'am there. They told that practical exam, there is a lot of session for practical.
Correct.
So I'm really looking forward for that.
Correct. CSP is good, but it does not give the practical hands-on. It is
Yeah, that is
knowledge. Knowledge
yes,
is
sir,
good, practical hands-on is very much required. Until
yes,
you don't get hands-on, CSP is not going to help you at all.
that is this is the thing. So I joined your batch.
Okay. Great decision. Thank you, Pradeep, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next, who is the next? Praveen, go ahead. After that, Prahlad.
Hi, sir. Good morning. My name is Praveen. I'm from Kerala, basically, and I'm a BCA graduate from Bangalore University. And currently, I'm working as a client service manager for a UK-based healthcare company.
Okay.
Yeah. So.
What are you working? What are you doing?
So I'm working as a client service manager.
Client service manager. So what work it is?
Sorry, sir.
What's your responsibility?
So basically, I am handling the branch. We are actually supplying temporary staffing to the healthcare homes in UK, which is including hospitals, care homes, and nursing homes, and etc. So we are basically providing temporary staffing as per their requirements. So I'm working as a manager. I have a team with a staffing of 400 people and having a 130 plus clients under me.
Okay, okay. Okay, fine. Okay, thank you, Praveen, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next, who is next?
It's Prahlad. Can you hear me?
Next, go ahead. Prahlad, right? Prahlad, go ahead.
Yes, it's Prahlad. Yes,
Go ahead,
yeah.
go ahead.
So
Next,
yeah, I
after that,
completed
Prashant
my
Verma, then Priyadarshan. Okay, go ahead, Prahlad. Your camera?
yes. Okay.
Go ahead.
So I completed my graduation in 2023 in BA Literature. So I have 1 year of experience in chat process, so not in cyber security. So I just got to know about this because my brother completed, from here and he got a decent job and all. So I decided to go for this.
I think you have my pro. I could not hear you. Come again.
Can you able to hear me?
Come again.
Hello. Now.
Go ahead.
Yes. So yeah, I completed my graduation in 2023. So it was in BA Literature, and I have 1 year of experience. So I was interested in cybersecurity because of the opportunities and all. So I decided to go for this course.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, Prahlad, for joining. Next is Prashant Verma. Prashant was next, right? Go ahead, Prashant. After that.
Hi. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Morning, sir. Myself, Prashant Verma. I'm joining from Sydney. And I recently finished cybersecurity certificate from TAFE here. So actually, long back I did diploma in computer applications, but I could not continue in computers. So I'm switching my career now from customer service to cybersecurity. So I saw your videos online on YouTube, and I believe the videos are really impressive because some of the topics that you explained. I mean, I don't think so. Anyone can explain it any better than that. I was really actually impressed by the videos. That's how I thought of joining Splunk training. And also, I was trying to apply for the jobs, but every single job I was applying for, they were asking for experience in SIM and EDR as well. So that's how I thought I would to get some hands-on experience, and that's how I joined.
Okay. Total, how many years of experience you have?
In cybersecurity.
You have experience, right?
No. I'm switching my career from customer service to
Your graduation. Which year you have done?
Graduation I did in 2013.
2013. Okay, so you have experience in customer service, right?
Yes, that's right. I'm working as a customer service team leader in hotels, basically.
Okay, customer service experience you have. Okay.
And I do have interest in networking as well, because when I did diploma in computer application like a long time back when I was in India, so I always had interest in networking. So so that's why I watched your videos, and that's why I thought I need to join Splunk training.
Okay, great to hear that. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for joining. Next, who is next?
Yes. Can I switch on my video?
Yes, please go ahead.
I'm visible.
One moment, let me. Rahul. Who was the next?
Yeah.
I told Rahul name next.
Yeah.
Priyadarshan.
Who was the next? I think Priyadarshan was the next.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Go ahead.
My name is Priyadarshan Dwivedi. I belongs to Rewa, Madhya Pradesh, and I have completed my graduation in 2021 in electrical engineering from Indore.
Okay, 2021.
Yes, sir.
Okay. After that,
1 year I have preparing for a government job, and then after I went Hyderabad for a web development course.
Okay.
Then suddenly my health issue. Then I got back to my hometown, and now I want to switch in cyber security.
You're from which place?
Rewa, Madhya Pradesh.
Acha, Rewa. I think you spoke to me.
Yes, sir. I have called you.
Acha. That's the reason I think I remember you mentioned something.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fine. Thank you, Priyadarsan, for joining. I remember you had a discussion with me.
Welcome, sir.
Okay. Thank you for joining, Priyadarsan. Next we have, who is next after that? Now Rahul. After that, Raja Reddy, then Rani Reddy.
I'm visible?
Yes. Acha. After that,
no, sure. I'm Rahul as well. So
Acha, Rahul Kaushik.
we'll come
After
for
that,
some.
Rahul Singh. Acha, Rahul. I think Rahul Kaushik first,
Yeah,
then Rahul Singh. Rahul Kaushik, then Rahul Singh. Rahul Kaushik first, then Rahul Singh. With alphabetical order.
Hi everyone. I'm Rahul Kaushik.
Yes, go
I'm
ahead.
basically from Delhi, but I moved to Australia 10 years ago. I completed my master's in IT in 2008, and I have work experience in manual tester 5 years. Last I worked in IT in 2012. It's a long time. It's a big gap. So I want to come back in IT and cybersecurity because of big demand in Australia, because a lot of things happened here. A lot of companies got issues with data security. So government is approaching locals to join cybersecurity. That's one of the bigger opportunity for me to come back in IT and cyber. So that's why I want to join cybersecurity, and I found you on Google. I watch you YouTube a lot from last 2 months and got some understanding about networks and communication things. Yeah, so that's one.
So after you mentioned that 4 years around you work on testing till 2012. So after 2012 to 2024, what you have done?
So I'm working in hospital at the moment. I'm working with physios in hospital.
Hospital.
I'm assisting them. I'm assisting physios, so I'm assistant in allied health. So
So how come you have changed your field from directly from manual testing to entirely different field?
Because I live in Brisbane, so Melbourne and Sydney has much more growth and opportunities. Because of family reasons, I couldn't commute to those areas. So Brisbane has not much opportunities in IT, but it's improving now, and a lot of demand in cyber came up. So I just want to get that opportunity soon this year.
No. Anyways, that's fine. I wanted to said that you used to work as software tester. Then how you switched to medical field without having different experience entirely than medical field?
Yeah, that's why one of my other interests was to help in hospitals, and especially for aged people. So I'm still working with aged people more than 65 years old, after them and help them moving physically.
Okay. So now you got an interest in cybersecurity, the growth and everything you've seen. And
I got interest, plus I'm getting an opportunity as well. So both the things working together after a long time. So better to get that.
Okay, great. Thank you, Rahul, for joining.
Thank you.
Next we have Rahul Singh. Go ahead now. After next, Raja.
I'm visible. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Yeah. Good morning, Sulabh, and good morning, everyone. Myself, Rahul Thakur, and I did MBA in marketing, and I have 7 years of experience of marketing and sales. Currently, I am doing a job. I do a lot of research of cybersecurity, and from past 6 months, I am doing research. So I saw a video of Sulabh on that YouTube and Google. So that's why I joined this course, and I want to also switch my career due to technical growth and all these things. And cybersecurity is one of the secure job and future I saw.
Right.
That's why I'm here.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rahul, for joining.
Thank you. And thank you, Sulabh,
Thank
for
you.
giving me the opportunity to join the course. Thank you.
Thank you. Next, Raja, then Rani. It seems like brother and sister. Both are ready. Go ahead, Raja. Mike.
I think I am on mute.
Good. Go,
Okay.
unmute. Go ahead.
Yeah. Myself, Raza. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, currently in Bangalore. I have 10 plus years of experience in IT, where
Bangalore,
I've
where?
been
Where in Bangalore?
in Whitefield, actually.
Whitefield. Okay.
Near of home.
Okay.
Uh,
You know
I-
that people from Bangalore, we are going to shift back to Bangalore in a couple of weeks.
I'm
Office
not
will
sure,
be
but
in
yeah, I
capital.
heard, sir, because the water crisis we have here. Every time when I face my owner, I know that how the water feeling there in Bangalore.
Okay.
Yeah. That I
Right.
have 10 years of experience. I've been in IT in different fields. I work in desktop support and NOC engineer and patch management. And the last 1.5 year, I'm working as the cyber security.
Okay.
I'm working. Actually, recently I want to change my job, so I started giving the interviews. So most of the demanding they are asking like is not only incident. I'm working as incident management, but they are asking especially more about the SIM and EDR, some more in-depth knowledge they are requesting, not only the analyst role.
Right.
Because for that also I gone through in the Feb, I gone through some YouTube videos searching over Splunk, and I gone to your videos. It's so much explaining about Splunk, and your way of teaching me is like a normal understanding way. It's not like some high profile guy telling for me, but it's like a simple way you're telling, explaining the Splunk and the concepts. I really like that. So that's why I trying reaching in Feb, but that Splunk class was already started. Then this month I started joining this one because I want to explore more on the Splunk and EDR to learn in-depth knowledge on these two tools, and so I get my career next level to in the SOC position.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Raja, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next, we have Rani. Go ahead.
Hi, good morning, sir.
Morning.
This is Rani.
We cannot see you. We cannot see you. Can you turn on your
This is
camera?
Rani. Sorry, I cannot turn on my camera.
Okay.
I am from USA. And,
You're from USA?
Yes,
Okay.
Maryland.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Yeah. So I have computers background, but because of my family, I never get a chance to work in IT. And now my kids are going to school, so I got a time. So that's why I joined this course.
Okay.
And also at the same time, I am upgrading my skills, updating my skills. So I'm watching videos and blogs and watching a lot of networking videos and pen testing videos and cybersecurity videos. Yeah, that's all myself. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you, Rani, for joining. Next, we have Rasad. After that, Asmi. After that, Sakshi. After Rasad. After that,
good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I don't know wherever you are. I'm from a beautiful city of Edmonton, Canada. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Can you hear me?
We can hear you, Rasad. Go ahead, please.
Hello, Sulav. Great, good to talk to you live today. Myself, Rashad Al-Haq. As I said, I'm from Canada. I born in Bangladesh, but I grew up in Canada. I worked around the world, basically in technology management, around the world, about 38 countries. Never had my hands dirty doing stuff, but managing different technology people. In 2019, I came back to Canada and trying to look for opportunity, but the job market is really tough. And since I was a kid, I wanted to be a soldier, but it never happened. So I was looking at the cybersecurity industry, and I love the part where it's defensive cybersecurity, and I really like it. And to get into the cybersecurity in Canada is very tough. But as a SOC analyst, I would say it would be a bit easier. than jumping into any other cybersecurity segments. So that's why I was looking for a training, hands-on training, and I found you on YouTube. I finished your 32 hours in 2 days. That's I was really hyped up. I really liked the way you taught, and now I know a little bit about cybersecurity. I'm really excited. I think I'm the oldest here. I'm really excited to be part of this course because with these all wonderful and knowledgeable people, and I just wanted to thank you, Sulabh, for this course, and I'm looking forward.
Okay,
Thank you.
I think you commented also, right? YouTube. You
Yes,
completed in
yes.
1 day. I think you commented 18 hours.
I did. I've and I
think
was
you commented
really
in 1 hour.
yeah,
I
yeah.
seen
I
your
was really
comment.
impressed. Yeah, it's like you are actually teaching a 2 years old kid what cybersecurity is, and whoever actually starting from beginning like myself, I would strongly recommend in this coming week before the next weekend, please watch Sulabh's video, that 32 hours. Trust me, you're gonna gain a lot of knowledge, and it's gonna be really helpful. That's all I can say to my peers here. Thank you, guys. Good luck.
Thank you, Rasat, for joining. Thank you. Next, we have Rasmi Kujur. Please go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Please go ahead.
Hi, sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible, visible. Please go ahead.
Yes. So, this is Rashmi here. I'm currently from Noida, and I have graduated in chemical engineering in 2014. And currently, I'm working in HCL Technologies with 7 years of experience. Initially, I worked on endpoint security, and then I moved into SOC level 1. So since last 6 months, I'm working into the SOC team, but actually I'm facing issues while on basic networking issues and the traffic analysis. Also, our team is upgrading to automation SOAR and to perform all the L1 tasks, and we will be
Right.
moving to SOC L2. So I needed, more information, more, more insight into this. So I
Correct.
joined this training.
Correct. Sometime, in my training also, sometimes some few people, when I explain in depth, some people to others are where we talk about when we explain incident response, because I want to apply for L1 job only, we are fresher. That is the reason I include everything in my training. I tell them, do not go for L1 only. I can explain in next 10 to 15 days only, the L1 job, monitoring job, right? But if you want to grow in your career further, you should know everything, because L1 job can be automated, will be automated in future. But if you want to grow, you should know how the whole things, how to build a full building. You just should not have a half knowledge. That is
exactly.
in my training, I cover full. Starting integration of devices, everything that you realize it here. Not only just monitoring part or L1 incident response or analysis part. It will cover from L1, L2, majority of L3 activities also. Which people, maybe some people are fresher, it is very advanced for them, but it is going to help you for whole career, whole life, to grow you fast. Even people start their career now, but after 3 or 4 years, it will help you to grow fast, because they have knowledge, they have the clear path. Anyways, thank you, Rasmi, for joining.
Thank you.
Next, Rahul, Raja, Rani, Rasad, Ritwak Sukla.
Good morning, sir.
After Ritwak, we have Sakshi. Then?
Hello.
Yes, Ritwak, go ahead.
Good morning, sir. I'm Ritwak
Camera.
Sukla, and I'm from Etawah, UP.
Camera.
Sir, I can't open it. Sir.
Why?
Sir, I just woke up before the class, and I'm sleepy right now.
Acha, sleepy?
Yes.
11 o'clock, you're feeling sleepy?
It's an introduction class, that's why I was relaxing. So.
No. See, you should be full in energy.
Yes, sir.
It's 11 o'clock, right? It's not a time of sleeping. It's good that you told me with honesty, but it's my suggestion.
Yes, sir.
Your time should be get up early in the morning.
It's a introduction
7
class.
o'clock.
That's why.
I understand it's 7 o'clock, but time should
Yes,
be systematic.
okay, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
So my name is Ritik Shukla. I'm from Itawa, Uttar Pradesh. And I did BCA in 2021.
Okay.
And after that, I did some training on cybersecurity, especially VAPT. And after that, I did internship in VAPT in Ahmedabad.
Okay.
It was 6 months long. It was 6 months long internship, and that time I was thinking that VAPT is not for me, and now I realized that completely that VAPT is not for me, and I explored many other fields also, and now I've enrolled for this SOC. So just want to explore this, and
Okay.
I'm expecting just that I will gain some knowledge in, and I will get some job. I didn't have job after the internship.
Okay.
So only experience I have, it is only of the internship.
Okay.
Only
Okay.
6 months internship.
So you are not
Yes.
working or working right now?
I'm not working, sir.
Not working. Okay.
Yes.
So make your schedule properly. Okay.
Yes.
Sleep
Sir.
early, get up early.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And
Don't
I have
feel
a question.
sleepy during
I
the
have a question
class.
for you.
Okay. Next time onwards.
Hello. I have a question for you, sir.
Yes.
That you said it is good to have a gap. So what is the reason for that?
Because you can apply as an experience.
Sorry?
If you don't have, because you can apply as an experienced. You can showcase experience. Experienced people get more calls compared to completely fresher.
Okay.
After the training, you can showcase some experience.
Okay. Got it, sir.
Further, in further session, I will explain you in further session, right?
Sure, sure.
After the training,
Okay.
you can showcase some 2 or 3 years experience in resume, whatever gap you have.
Sure, sir.
Showcase experience, you'll get more calls, more package compared to completely fresher. Because this training is not only fresher level. This is, we are going to go very deep dive. You can easily showcase experience. Okay, so you'll get better package, better opportunity. That is very nice.
Thank you.
It's good to have gap compared to no gap.
Got it, sir. Got it. Thank you.
So you make your schedule properly. Get up early. Sorry, sleep early. Get up early.
Yes, sure, sir.
Okay, next is Sakshi Agrawal. Then after that, Sarkinatu. What is that? Sarkinatu. Yansi. Sarkinatu Yansi. Mic is not working. Okay, you can share your introduction in the chat. Then Sarkinatu Yansi. After that, Satish. Yansi. Sarkinatu Yansi. Sarkinatu Yansi. Not there. Then Satish. Sarkinatu Yansi is there. Go ahead. Go ahead, please.
Hi, everybody.
Good morning.
Good morning. Okay. My name is Sakinatu Yensi. I'm currently in the United States. I have an associate degree in cybersecurity, virtualization, and forensic. So the reason why I'm in this class is because I still have a feeling like I need more hands-on, especially in SIM and EDR. So I started looking for places where I could get more hands-on. I bought courses on Udemy, but it didn't help me until I found you on YouTube.
Okay, okay. So currently, what are you doing?
Nothing interesting. So currently, I'm not doing anything in the field of cybersecurity. I started looking for a job for a while, but I keep having a feeling that I needed more hands-on.
So are you working?
Yeah, I'm working in healthcare, actually.
Healthcare. Okay. So
Yeah.
education background, do you have any technical background? Educational, what is your educational background?
I have an associate degree in cybersecurity.
Acha,
In
okay.
cybersecurity, yeah.
you already have cybersecurity
Yeah,
background.
I graduated last year. Yeah.
Okay, great to hear that. Then it's good. You join the training, get the job, switch to your field only.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you, Yancy, for joining.
You're welcome.
I hope you will get a job soon in your own field.
I can't wait for that.
Thank you
I
for
can't
joining.
wait.
See you. Next, after Yancy, who was the next? After Yancy, whose name is next?
I think you said Satish, sir.
Satish. Satish. Satish, go ahead. After Satish, Serin, then Shruti. Serin Thomas, then Shruti. Go ahead, Satish.
Hi, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Myself Satish. I am from Mumbai. I did my graduation in basic computers in last year 2023. I don't have any experience in cybersecurity.
Okay.
I just want to make career in cybersecurity. That's why I am going to join your classes.
Okay. Which year passed out?
2023, sir.
23, recent pass out last year.
Yes, sir.
You did anything in 1 year?
What, sir?
1 year you did anything in last 1 year?
Yes, sir. I will get educated about the cybersecurity. Actually, I am going to study on the cybersecurity, all the network devices.
So 1 year you are doing self-study?
Yes, sir.
1 year. Okay. Thank you, Satish, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Next is Serin, then Shruti. Go ahead, please.
Hi, my name is Sharon. Basically, I am from. Can you?
Yes,
Yeah,
we
I'm
can hear you.
audible. Yeah,
Yes.
my name is Sharon. Basically, I'm from Kerala. I did my master's in cybersecurity last year. I finished. Now I'm in UK, and now I'm working as an IT technician in a company here. After completing my master's in cybersecurity, I searched for a lot of jobs, but here it's too difficult to get a job as an entry level. So that's why I just want to grab more knowledge in cybersecurity. So I choose SOC Analyst. Yeah.
How did you get to know about SIM Expert?
Actually, two of my friends who are studying with me during my master's, they just studied the SOC Analyst and they just got job in cybersecurity.
Okay. So they joined SIM Expert, is it?
Yeah, they already studied Splum and all the tools, and yeah, they just got job. That's why.
Okay. Great to know that. Thank you, Serin, for joining.
Thank you, and have a nice day.
Thank you. Next, who was the next? Shruti.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Your camera?
I have some issues of internet, sir.
Camera issue? Okay, no problem. Then go ahead.
My name is Shruti. Basically, I belong to Basava Kalyan, Karnataka only. I had completed my BE graduation in 2018 electrical.
Okay.
After that, I worked as a lecturer for 2 years. I don't have any experience in IT field. So that's why one of my friend told to join this cyber security. So that's why I joined.
So currently you're working or not working?
Not working, sir.
What do you used to teach in college?
I have taken classes of only electrical classes.
Electrical. Okay. Thank you for joining, Shruti.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, who is next? Shiva Kumar. Then Shiva L. Then Snigdha.
Sir, I think Siddharth, you forgot it.
Who?
Siddharth.
Snigdha is after you, I think. Siddharth?
Yes.
Siddharth? Acha. Siddharth. Okay. Anyways, you turn on your camera, you go ahead. Then after that, I will take him. Who is Shiva Kumar? Go ahead then. Shiva Kumar, you go ahead. You already turned on your camera. Go ahead.
Hi, Sulabh. Good morning. And
good morning.
All. This is Shivkumar. I completed my graduation in 1998. So I have 14 plus years of experience in Microsoft SQL Server Database Administration. Then I came to know there is a huge opportunities in this cyber security because data and the financial these two are crucial into the worldwide. There is a threats happening in these two areas.
Right.
So I thought I have done some background check, and then I came to know I need to learn from the right master and need to get a good hands-on who had a good experience in this market. So I came to know you are the right person. I want to learn from you going forward. I need to switch in my technology from SQL DBA to the cybersecurity analyst.
Right. You are managing data, and nowadays people are behind the data. They are
Yes,
trying
yes, yes.
to manipulate the data. They are trying to steal the data.
Right.
They are trying to delete the data.
Mm.
So managing the data is very difficult nowadays. To
Right.
secure it from from the unintended people. So we need to secure it now.
Yes.
So that is what it's very difficult now. It's very one of the critical tasks that we are going to perform, and which is the crucial
Yep.
for in this digital world.
Yep. Correct. Yeah.
We actually actually the end thing is data. The whole thing we are going to do is to secure the data.
Right. Right.
We have the data, we want to secure it now. Whole team and everybody is going to do is to secure the data that we have. All your devices, so many devices we have in the security is to at the end is to secure the data. We have servers, we have storage, we have databases, and all this hell lot of devices to secure the data.
Yes.
So thank you, Siva, for joining. Of course, the digitalization is happening very fast. Everything is on the internet, and people are trying to earn money out of that by finding out some weak holes, some weaknesses.
Right.
So of course, there's a huge demand in the same ratio how the digitalization is happening. On the same ratio, the threats are also increasing day by day, and that's an opportunities in cybersecurity also increasing exponentially.
Yes, love.
So everybody is I see a lot of people who are very experienced. In my previous batches, people up to 60 years, 65 years working in different technologies coming in here. 40 years experience. I have people here in previous batches. 40 years experience in different fields. In IT only. They want to learn cybersecurity now.
Yep.
Good to see you here.
Yeah, yeah. And also I have seen from previous batch, one of your students, he joined in the Capgemini. So I am trying to connect, but I didn't get a chance to talk to him.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Good to see you. How did you come to know?
One of my relative has been suggested. Then after I did some this analysis. Also I'm doing the Google cybersecurity course. Half of its part is completed. So just want to know about the cybersecurity because I don't know the routers, ports, and the switches. These things I don't have much knowledge because I came from the biology background from BSc. So completely it's new to me. So even though I have 14 years of experience, this is completely different from my past experience. So just I'm gone through the basic knowledge from the cybersecurity.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Siva, for joining.
Thank you.
Now go ahead, Siddharth. Siddharth, go ahead now. Sorry for your chance.
Yeah, I see I couldn't able to start my video. It says you cannot start your video because the host has stopped.
Okay. I'm trying to start. Go ahead now.
Yeah, well, hi guys. Good morning, everyone. So
ahead.
my name is Siddharth. I'm from Telangana, Hyderabad. My total year of experience is around 8 years. So I worked on different profiles. Initially, I started my career as a backend support engineer with TBSS. Then I moved to, moved as an analyst, worked on incident management profile, and from there I moved as a L1 NOC engineer, senior NOC engineer, and then finally I learned something and I got a chance to work as a SecOps engineer.
Okay.
So one of my managers, he suggested your name. So he is a student of yours. His name is Harjot Singh. So he suggested me to join the session. So that's the reason. So I tried joining your class before 3 months, but I couldn't able to because I got a new project within my organization as a SecOps engineer. So now I'm working on different applications like CrowdStrike, Falcon, McAfee, Relic CPO, Microsoft Defender, and there are
Okay.
different applications where I'm working. I strongly believe, like this is just like a monitor profile. So
Right.
I want to learn more into implementation part. Still, I'm working on implementation part, but not that much. So currently, I'm working like lifting up, lifting up USB restrictions, temporary and permanent restrictions, creating some policies. But I strongly believe there is a lot of things which I have to learn
Okay.
to
Okay.
you know go for next level. So
Okay.
this
Okay.
is what all
Great.
about me.
Great.
And
Thank you.
also, recently, what my client suggested me to complete CrowdStrike certification. So I have a question here. So, will this course, help me to do it? No?
EDR, I think EDR CrowdStrike, you can do that certification. You can write the exam.
It's a vendor certification, correct?
I mean, you have to write yourself.
Correct, correct. So, I mean, what I'm asking is, if I go through this complete course, I hope this will be helpful for me to complete that course, right?
Definitely, definitely. You will have full EDR knowledge.
And also, I worked on Splunk CM tool as well, but only monitor profile. So, I used to verify user logs because I
Okay.
have experience into IAM as
After
well.
this training, you'll have full knowledge, almost knowledge you'll have. Device integration will be covering here, right? Troubleshooting, very in-depth knowledge you'll have. I will not say end-to-end knowledge, but very in-depth knowledge you'll have. Because Splunk is very big tool.
Yeah, got it.
Splunk is very big. One of the complex tool is Splunk.
Yeah.
None of the tool bigger than Splunk, because Splunk is not only SIM, but it is a data loss tool. The
Yeah.
Splunk has one of the biggest architecture than other SIM tool. But most of the knowledge I'm going to share with you. See, you will yourself tell me that, Sulabh, now things are going out of my head. Then I will stop. I'm going to share all my knowledge. That's the reason I'm telling this time that networking classes are already in YouTube. So I'm not going to put more time on that. Instead, I will share the link of YouTube. I'll take very precise classes here, and you guys will cover basics who have not watched and YouTube. So we can utilize those two sessions around 7 hours on more deep dive on the Splunk. You understand my time, right? So I can utilize that time to do more deep dive on the Splunk instead of investing on networking, which you already have in YouTube.
Yeah, got it.
That is what, because that time will become more fruitful.
Yeah.
So we can utilize that time. That is the reason I am telling.
So can you ping those links here? Maybe everyone can go through it.
What?
So someone is talking about 32 hours of video on
32
YouTube.
hours. That is the link. That is what I'm going to share. The whole 10 days weekdays session I'm going to share. 10 days class it is around how many? 20 hours. 20 hours it is. 20 hours.
Okay.
So that I will share session. So I will cover in 2 days. 1 or 2 days I will cover here in very brief. But detail I will share the link. So you guys can cover it. I will take in votes also in class. How many you have covered? Okay, so you guys can cover. You will have not any question. I will take the question also later period in session. Those are very basics. And you understand, if you ever watched my YouTube video, you'll not have much questions. If you have ever watched my training in YouTube. But in case you have any question, I will take in 1 day. So that gap, that time that we will have, we'll take it, we'll use those time in this Splunk session. That will be value added, isn't it? That is what I'm thinking, because those sessions are already we have in YouTube, and those are very basic sessions. So you will understand everything because that is what I explain in my class. Easily you will understand, with no problem. Okay, thank you, Siddharth, for joining. Next is Siva L. Siva L. Then next, after that, Snigdha, after Siva.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead, please.
Yeah, I'm working in IT as operations lead. I have more than 15 years of experience in different domains.
More than 15 years? 15 years, okay.
I have done MCA in 2008 year.
Okay.
Before that, I am from BSc Computers background. I came to know cybersecurity few years before I am doing my self-learning, but I never get time to get a proper training or get an opportunity to work on. Even though I work with in organization, I try to work with the cybersecurity team because of my curiosity and interest. So I have done some certifications and courses which are available, freely available, or some less amount available. I have done that, but I never gone through any proper training. So I tried to reach you out after watching your videos. I didn't get chance to get into the batch, the previous batch, since it is a weekdays batch. So I waited for this batch eagerly, and I got admission here.
Finally.
Yes, finally.
Okay. Okay. So currently, what are you doing? What's your current job?
I'm an operations lead.
Operations, what kind of operation you're running?
It is database related.
Database related. Okay. Okay. Great. Great to hear that. Thank you, Siva, for joining.
Thank you.
Next, we have Snigdha. After that, Subjit.
Hello, am I audible,
Yes,
sir?
Snigdha, you're audible. Please go ahead.
Yeah, so my name is Smita. I'm basically from Bihar, but my father was in defense, so we kept on moving from places to places. So right now we are settled in Delhi. I did my graduation from Delhi University. I did BCom in 2016. So in 2019, I passed out from graduation. Then I did my MBA in finance from Central University of Rajasthan. In 2022, I completed that. After that, I joined Morningstar. I'm working as a research associate there. It's been 2 years. And I really wanted to shift my career from finance to IT because I can see a lot of job opportunities and growth opportunities there. Yeah, that's it. And how I got to know about you is one of my friends suggested me.
Okay. 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 Great. Great. I hope you have a laptop.
Yeah, I have a laptop.
Do you have broadband?
Yeah.
You paid this much amount, take the broadband connection also. Okay, your training you
I
have
have,
paid this much amount, but your
broadband.
internet is not stable. Your voice is breaking, video is lagging.
Okay, but I have broadband.
So speed is not good. That means still speed is
Okay.
not good. So you
Okay.
check it out, you fix it, because you might have a quality problem. Once I explain you, stick the session tomorrow onwards, maybe you will see the quality issue.
Okay.
Now it's pretty stable, but when you were speaking, giving the introduction, that time your voice was not clear and your video was not stable. You might have bandwidth issue. Okay, just check it.
Okay.
Thank you, Snigdha, for joining.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next, Subhajit. Subhajit was next. Who was next? After Snigdha, what name I said? Subhajit, right? Okay, Subhajit. Then Sudha. Subhajit, are you there? Subjit. Subjit. Not there. Not listening. Okay. Sudha. Go ahead. After
Hello,
that.
sir.
Hello.
Good morning.
Go ahead, Sudha. Please turn on your camera.
First, sorry, I can't turn on my camera. Please.
Okay.
I'm Sudha from Tamil Nadu. I completed MSc Mathematics and then BA. I worked as a teacher. Now I want to switch my career in IT field. When my friend suggested me in this course, cybersecurity. He shared your YouTube link.
Okay.
I saw your videos, and it's clear and understandable. And then only I decided to join this course. Thank you.
Okay, okay. So graduation, what you have done?
MSc Mathematics and
Which
then
year?
B.Ed. 2014.
2014. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sudha, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
After that, who is next after Sudha?
Subject is left, sir.
Huh?
Subject is left.
Who? Subhajit. Go ahead.
Yes. Yeah.
You are not speaking that time.
Actually, some call has come, and today is my office day, sir. Sorry for that.
Acha, but your voice is also not.
Yeah, I'm in the office, and it is. I am actually from Jharkhand. It is the small town Chaivasa. I have about 14 years of experience in the field of IT infra.
Okay.
And it is. I'm looking after the main server part and IT infra over there.
Okay.
And as IT admin, IT related purchase also I have to look after in the company.
Okay.
So now it is the time to move on because it is the time of cybersecurity. As I see everywhere is the cybersecurity is very much exposed and all this. So that I am going through your Udemy class in that I can't find any other courses from Udemy.
Udemy, actually Udemy, I have not uploaded a course. I mean, that just demo kind of course only I uploaded to Udemy.
Yeah, that I have completed. So
just
it is very
for
much
the people,
interested.
just for the people to come to know about the training. That's it. It is actually not the course because I mean, I don't have option to give the training for free actually on the Udemy.
Yeah.
So that is the reason we have to give some prize.
Yes, definitely, sir. I am ready to give, but
no, that is. I mean, that training is already free in YouTube. But the only thing, Udemy, you cannot give until unless you do not keep some code. Udemy, you cannot put something for free. If training is more than 2 hours.
Yes.
That is the reason. I mean, my motive was to upload the Udemy is to give people knowledge that we have this training. That's it. Otherwise, my courses I don't want to upload in Udemy just to give people that okay, we have the training. The basic course only, networking course only we have in Udemy. So you come to know through Udemy only.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Good to know that. 2 people came from Udemy. They watched in Udemy. You and one more person. Good. Thank you, Subhajit, for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, next. Who was the next? Snigdha, Subhajit, Sudha, Dan, Suma.
Hi,
Suma.
Sulabh. Hi,
Yes,
team.
Suma.
Actually, I'm based on Bangalore.
Video, camera.
Sorry, I'm not comfortable. I'm eating breakfast.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'm based in Bangalore. I'm from a non-IT background. I've done MCOM. And what made me interest on the SOC analyst is my friend also done the same course actually, and he got the job. So
Okay.
after that, I done some research from my side whether I am able to do it or not, like watching YouTube videos or googling about it, and then I decided to switch my domain as well. Previously, I was into digital marketing. I was working in Yahoo, but now I have to change the job. Because of that, I joined here.
Okay. Great. Thank you, Suma, for joining.
Thank you.
Who is the next after Suma? Supraja. After that, Suresh, then Taufik.
Sulabh, Sunil here. Sunil
is not done?
No, not yet.
Sunil name was not showing here. Okay, let her complete then. After that, I'll take Sunil. She's already started. Let her complete. Supraja, go ahead.
Yes. Good morning, good evening, everyone. My name is Supraja, and I stay in Dallas, Texas, and I'm originally from India. So I completed my master's degree in cybersecurity in 2022, and I have more than a year experience in cybersecurity, mainly focused on architecture. And right now, I am trying to switch my role. And looking at the job descriptions recent days, I think every description has the Splunk or SIEM tools on hands experience. So I thought, Sulabh, I think you are the right person for me to suggest, or just I'm trying to learn with all the videos. So I thought this course mainly focuses on hands-on experience. So yes, that's
Right.
why I'm here
So
today.
how did you come to know about SIM Expert?
So I just saw your videos and I Googled where you're exactly from. So I just found your website.
Okay. Great to hear that. Thank you, Supraja, for joining.
Thank you.
Yes, Sunil, go ahead now.
Hello everyone. Hi, Sulabh. Myself Sunil. I'm completed my BTech and I'm from Hyderabad. I completed my BTech in 2008, and I'm having 12 plus years of experience in network security. Currently, I'm working as an senior infrastructure and security specialist. So I'm not working on any of the SIEM tools currently. I joined SIM Expert ArcSec class in 2017, at the end of 2017 or 2018. At the time I was
Okay.
working. Yeah, at that time I was at that time I was working with Deloitte and I was managing the SOC. Yeah. The SOC operation team was reporting to me at the time. So to get an
2017 you joined. Okay.
yeah. So I have also recommended you for many of my friends who are from non-IT background, and I joined you during the COVID time, and they're currently placed in different companies as a SOC analyst and senior analyst. So currently, I'm working for a South African-based company as a senior infrastructure and security specialist, and we are planning to start our SOC operations. So that's the reason. Maybe we are looking for an options at this point of time. So that's the reason, to brush up my skill set and stuff. So I joined.
Okay.
Again.
We means in your company, or you are trying to start your own company?
Nah, I was working in South Africa till last month and recently moved to India. And currently, yes, our company is planning to start a SOC operation. So, because I look for the global operations of the network security. So there may be a chance, so I may be taking up that project. So
which company working for?
It's a car chat. It's a car and fleet management tracking services.
Acha. That company is starting SOC.
Yes. I mean, for internal SOC, it's just for the internal SOC. Because we have presence in 32 countries and a lot of things going on these days.
Internal SOC they are starting.
Yeah.
Right. So good. So they have not outsourced their SOC.
No, because they are when coming to the money, they are very stringent. So even we moved to cloud, and we came back from the cloud because it's taking too much money from us. So
right.
So
guys, this is an example that in cybersecurity you are not stick with IT or finance company. Cybersecurity has the requirement across all the industry. You can see this is different industry entirely, right? Not IT industry or finance. They entirely different industry. Cybersecurity has the requirement across all the industry, either pharmaceutical, construction, hospitality, and you can see this car accessories or different entirely different industry had the requirement for SOC, cybersecurity.
Earlier, the company which I'm working for not shown their interest towards the security, so they give the second eye to it. So now, as we face few security issues and a few audit challenges, then these guys slowly started concentrating on the security stuff as well.
Right. Good to hear, Sunil. You came back again after how many years? 7 years.
Yes.
7 years.
Yeah.
Joined back again to me, to my tribe.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Why?
Yeah, I have suggested you for many of my friends, who are currently settled in different companies, and they're very much happy. So I'm glad.
Great.
Yeah.
Great to see you here.
Thank you, Sulabh.
You are the part of my initial training. It's been eighth year now, and
Yeah.
you are the one of them who are the part of my initial time of training. I think second years when we had less people. Now in my batches, this is one of the small batch now. I have people, 150 people, 200 people also. I had batch, 200 people also. And when you join, I think we have 20, 30 people that time in a batch.
Yes, at that time you have most of like offline classes. You had
Offline classes.
training classes.
You joined online, but
Yeah, I joined
right?
online. Yes.
I think that time online just started.
Correct. I think I was the first batch online.
First batch.
Yeah, I think so.
That time I think we had 15 people something, right? I think.
Correct. I was working in South Africa. I joined from South Africa.
First batch I think that time online.
Yeah.
I tested the camera first time that batch.
Yeah.
You people requested. People used to travel Bangalore from some other location that time.
Yeah.
And that time only I tested the camera first time, mic and everything.
Yes.
Quality was not that great. Now
Yeah,
a lot of changes we have done.
We got many issues at the time.
Mic issue, camera issue, a lot of lighting issue.
Even
now,
your internet issue at the time.
Internet issue. A lot of things we have changed now. So you see a lot of changes here.
Yes.
Thank you, Sunil, for joining.
Thank you, Sulabh.
Next, who is next? Supraja is done, right? Suresh, go ahead, please. Suresh.
Hi, Sulabh. This is Suresh. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm from Bangalore, staying near Kerpuram.
Kerpuram.
Yeah.
Okay.
Completed my BTech 2011. Since then, I've been working in different domains. Currently, I'm working with Cisco as SD-WAN security testing.
Okay.
Yeah, so I got this interest basically on cybersecurity. Wanted to explore more on it, and after seeing your videos, I found it, convinced me to join the classes. So joined it.
Okay, great. So you're basically from Bangalore, right? Would you like
Yes.
to come offline? Sometime.
Yes, Saurabh, I can. But the problem is the repeated question, I can consider. Like the timing is the problem. So I'll have to travel.
Bangalore traffic will be the problem. Sometime you can come offline.
Yes, sure.
Sometime you come offline. Okay. No, anyways, thank you, Suresh, for joining. Just give me one moment, okay? Give me one. Okay, I'm audible, right? Okay. After Suresh, with Tejasri. Tejasri. Guys, today only we have not taken the break. Otherwise, if 8:30, then around 10:30 we'll take the break. Today was the introduction class, so that's the reason I have not taken the break, because anyways, I am only speaking continuously. You guys, it is introduction class, so you may have your breakfast in between itself. Only it is not a break for me, but you guys are free to take breakfast in between. But next time onwards, after 2 hours the class will take around 15 to 20 minutes break. So you can have a breakfast and you can take little rest. 2 hours break. Ideally, class timing is 4 hours, 8:30 to 12:30. In between 15 to 20 minutes break. But it depends. Means total around 3.5 hours class around. But it depends how much you digest. Okay. So next is who was the next? I said after Suresh. I'll give the chance to ask the question at the end of the introduction. If you have any confusion question. Suresh Tawfiq. After Suresh Tawfiq. Then Tejasri.
Yes. Hi everyone. I am Tawfiq Rizvi. I'm basically from Jharkhand. However, I'm staying in Bangalore from past 3 years. I have completed graduation from 2014. Post that, I have joined as a retro support. I do have experience around 9+ years of, and currently I'm working as a senior IT specialist in ABX company. Here I'm handling IT infra, desktop support, inboard and outboarding things, and also taking care server and network office network related. We do have recently we implemented CrowdStrike, Falcon in our organization. Yes. So we got a chance to have CCFA certification from. We got a voucher code. Then I have certified in the month of January. CCFA CrowdStrike Falcon administrator exam. And then the reason for joining this class, actually from past 1 year, I wanted to join. However, I was searching and I was busy in my daily schedule activities. Sometime in weekend, I have to go in our office for maintenance activities. So that's the reason I couldn't join. Actually, I got a reference from one of my friend. His name is Lokesh. He last year he is completed and he's working in some Pune company. I don't remember the company name.
Full name?
Lokesh. Full name I don't remember. I'll let you know.
Anyways.
Yeah, he only
It's basically Yogesh Chandra.
Yes, he was from Andhra.
Acha. Okay.
And he suggested me, and then I watched the videos. I also check with my friend who is an ethical hacker, and he's working from the data security in Delhi.
Okay.
So he suggested me to go for the SIEM, and it's good for learning from the beginner. And then I contacted him. Then I got the video link and everything. Then finally I'm here.
Okay. Great to know that. Thank you, Tawfiq, for joining.
Welcome.
Next, Tejasri, then Vibha. Tejasri.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please go ahead. Your video.
Hello, everyone. I'm Tejasri. I'm from Bangalore, RR Nagar. I've completed my engineering in electronics and communication in 2019. At present, I'm working in an external cybersecurity company as platform operational specialist, where I have 3 years of experience. I'm looking forward to learn about Splunk, EDR, and enhance my knowledge and upskill myself.
Great. So sorry, I was reading the chat. I could miss what you said. What you're working?
I'm working in an external cybersecurity company as platform operational specialist. I have 3 years of experience.
So what your daily task, daily job?
We do brand protection, sir.
Brand protection?
Yeah, brand protection. We work on that.
Okay. So you are not working on SIM and any other tools, these all tools?
No, we have our own company tool. So I want to have hands-on experience on this.
So you have got the designation as cyber security, but actually it's completely different, that work you are doing. The only thing is you will get the advantage that you are designation is cyber security analyst. After this training, you get the advantage that you can put experience in cyber security analyst and write the responsibility of this SOC.
Yes, sir.
Because your work is brand production is completely different.
Yeah.
You won't get opportunity much in the market. Isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sure. That is why I want to learn these SIM tools so that I can upskill myself. Yeah.
Right, right. Thank you, Suggested for joining. Next. Who is the next? After? Go ahead, please. Viva,
Yes.
go ahead, please.
Yes, sir.
After that, Vinay. Go ahead. Camera.
Yeah, am I audible and visible?
Yes, yes, yes. Go ahead.
Yeah, good morning, sir. My name is Vibha and I'm from Karnataka. And I have completed my BE in Computer Science and Engineering in 2020. Currently, I'm working in Accenture as a SOC analyst and I have 1.5 years of experience in this domain. I have used tools like CrowdStrike, AlertLogic, ZeroFox, and in-house tool which is specific to Accenture, that is MXDR. I want to explore more in this domain and I have watched your YouTube videos as well. So I think I would get more exposure into this. So that's why I'm here today.
Okay, okay, great. Total, how many years experience you have?
1.5 years.
1.5 years. Okay, great. You are here very early stage. Good.
Yes, sir.
You'll grow very fast.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Very fast. Because many people get the job because in the company we do not get, we get the role-based access. People working in the monitoring, they will continue to do the monitoring work for many years. They do not grow because in the company we get base access. We
Yes.
do not get to learn many things. If you join this course, you'll get the whole roadmap.
Yeah, that's why I have joined here.
You will grow very fast, definitely. Because normally people who join this training, who does not have job, right?
Yeah.
Who has the job, especially in cybersecurity, they join less because they already have job.
Yeah.
And they do not understand that they have the job, but they are doing the daily task, same daily tasks, and they are not getting opportunity to learn more.
Yes,
They're
exactly.
doing only monitoring job. So they are stuck in the same environment. So you join even working, you join means you are upgrading yourself.
Yes, sir.
It's actually good for you. You will get very fast growth.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Vibha, for joining. Next is, who is next?
Good afternoon,
Vinay.
sir. I'm Vinay.
Then Vineet, then Jisan. Go ahead. Camera.
Sir, my webcam is not working.
Okay, go ahead.
Sir, I'm from Hyderabad and currently I'm doing my graduation in cybersecurity. I'm in
Okay.
my final year.
Okay.
Within a month, I'll be passed out and I was initially interested in the offensive side of the cybersecurity, but yeah, I rarely find any job roles in the industry as a fresher. So one of my cousin is also in cybersecurity domain. So I had a chat with him and he recommended me your coaching classes and he was your student from 2019 batch.
Okay, 2019. Okay, good.
Yeah,
Great.
he's working in TIA, Pune company as
Okay.
L2 SOC now.
Okay, great that you have selected SOC instead of offensive. For more clarity, there's a video of mine in YouTube. SOC versus penetration testing. Which one is better? So,
Okay,
which one is having better? So, anyways, you have already selected SOC. Penetration testing is more challenging, but growth is not that great compared to SOC. Because penetration testing is not a regular work.
Yeah.
Thank you. What's your name? Vinay for joining. Next is Vineet.
Hi, Sulabh. Good morning.
Good morning. Please go ahead.
So my name is Vineet Kumar Pandey. So
you kept your mobile or opposite.
Okay, I think I am not setting in caption on that.
Anyways, it's fine. Go ahead.
Okay, so
from where you are?
I'm basically from the Mumbai and working in the Pune.
Pune, okay.
So total 11 years of experience in the infrastructure field, basically virtualization and cloud background. So I'm working in the multiple company like the Wipro, Unilevers, Unisys.
I think you worked in multiple
Yeah.
companies.
Yeah, I'm worked in multiple company.
Uh-huh.
So right now working in the one of the data center in the Canada. So where is the primarily role here the virtualization and cloud, but the company right now moving in the cyber security as well,
Okay.
due to capex and opex for me.
Okay, great.
So here work and implementation on the cyber security tool seems like the Rapid 7 and Cloud ADR and Defender security, because it's a managed service support. So there are the multiple clients, they provide the SOC as a services.
Right.
So that's why right now I am a part of the implementation team to so need to deep dive on that. That's why I joined this.
Good.
course.
Here you'll get very good knowledge.
Yeah, so I am recently I'm completed in the AWS security and EC Council's cloud security service certification. So need to
Become
deep dive
expert.
in the EDR and SIMs.
You'll become expert in one day, in few days. One day you'll become expert.
Definitely need to require your help. Sir.
You'll become valuable person in a few days. So many things you're learning at a,
Yeah, recently I am implementation of the SIM solution for the Rapid 7 tools of the one of the our customers. So where the AWS, they're the totally AWS environment. So I completed over there. So their ID, IPS and their cloud guard duty and everything configurations and endpoint configuration. So they're the looking, but I am not an expert on that. So they're the reporting things and every lots of things in the cyber security, then the deep learning through there, all the documentations, because where the technology involved, they need to require the cyber security. If any the product launch, like the if any healthcare product launch, there the HIPAA is coming and there the any certification and auditing going, the cyber security needed.
Right, correct. Good to hear that. Thank you, Vinith, for joining.
Thanks. Thank you very much.
Next with Jisan.
Yeah. Hi, sir. Sorry, my webcam is not working. My name is Zishan Mandari. I'm from Bijapur, Karnataka.
Okay.
I'm graduated from Karnataka University, Dharwad, with degree in BSc Computer Science, 2019 batch. I don't have any IT experience. Actually, my brother is into cyber security, and he suggested me about SIEM expert. So I went through your videos. So I found it really, well. I thought I can learn the things. I can grow my career in IT. So I'm really looking forward for this course.
Great. So you're working already right now, currently?
No. I'm not working.
What you did in since?
No. I was into my family business.
Family business. What business you are?
Automobiles.
Automobiles.
Yeah.
Okay. So what motivated you to do the job? Business is always good, right? Good.
No. Actually, due to some issues, family issues, I'm trying to make my career in IT.
Okay. Good to hear that. Thank you, Jisan, for joining.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Anybody else left? Anybody who has not done the introduction? Anybody left who has not completed an introduction? Anybody? Everybody is done?
Sulabh sir, I have one question.
Yes.
In the SIMS Splunk, there the SecOps involved in this training, or just for the implementation and deep dive of the Splunk configuration? That's
SecOps means Security Operations Center.
Yeah, there are automations regarding things and anything.
SecOps means Security Operations. See, I don't know. See, different companies give different work. The actual meaning of SecOps means security operations. Right?
Yeah, but in my company, I see that there the automation and everything involved in this SecOps role.
The different company give different. Some company may have CERT team, some company may have engineering team, some company may have platform team. Different company. Your company might have given different work for SecOps. It depends.
Okay.
Otherwise, SecOps team actually SOC operations team.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Dilip Verma, you are left.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, sir means that, sir, my brother working in cybersecurity wing only. And he asked me that I'm expert. That's why I'm joined. And I have learned to learn things like cybersecurity only, sir. Not only practical, theory also. Sir. Sir, when the practical will be started, sir, after theory only. After theory.
Of course, theory plus practical.
Theory plus practical. Sir, when the lab access will be given, sir?
Once we reach to the practical, then lab access will be giving.
Sir, which software will be run, sir, that lab access?
Splunk plus EDR.
Splunk ETR.
Splunk plus EDR, CrowdStrike.
CrowdStrike.
Splunk plus CrowdStrike EDR.
Sir, CrowdStrike means?
It's a vendor for EDR, endpoint detection response. Whatever tool we are covering, right? In the training, that tool you'll get the access.
Okay, sir. Sir, this Splunk and EDR is there, sir? This is programming language or operation language? Operation, sir.
Operation, no programming is required. The tool is already developed.
Operation.
Tool is already developed by developer. So we are going to use those tools.
Okay, sir. This software is using only tool development only.
Right. Tools are already developed. We are going to use those tools.
In the software only.
Right.
Okay, sir. I understood.
Okay, got it. So whenever
Thank
we
you, sir.
start practical, we'll give the lab.
Okay, sir.
Hi, Saurabh. So just one question. So if in last batch, as you told, like some of the syllabus was added and it was extended. So in our batch also, like you will be adding that syllabus and it will be like same course period, or ours will also be extended by like that some couple of weeks.
Extended means it will be covered the same time. Almost 3 to 3.5 months will be the time. I mean, maximum time we have given 3.5 months. So hopefully 3.5 months it should be covered.
Okay, so basically, like we have like managed these classes from our schedule and everything, as you know. So all we are like wondering is like you will be letting us know as completely a new individual into this side. So those who don't know anything about this cybersecurity or anything, we are just looking forward to learn from the scratch. So it's a request, like so don't feel like we already know some things.
No. See, don't feel. I don't feel that. What I'm saying is those basic classes only are what I'm saying right now. What I'm saying right now, you are not going to miss anything. You are not going to miss anything. See, every batch I add something new. See, initially this class was of 1 month. People who joined my training, for example, Sunil joined my training. He knows that he joined the training for 1 month only. The talk training for 1 month. Now this training have become 3.5 months. How is become 3.5 months? Because we keep adding new things every time, because you are another technology evolving, right? Competition is increasing day by day in the market, right? Being an IT means IT is continuous learning, continuous change, continuous upgradation, right? So we also keep adding new things which are required in the market. That's the reason course is also increasing day by day. For 1 month, it has become 3.5 months, right? So we keep adding new things, because if you do not upgrade, we do not add something new, which is required nowadays in the market, which is being asked nowadays in the market, right? We will also go out of the market. People will not get the job. So we always, for example, previous batch, we see that something we have not covered, but being asked in an interview, then next batch will include those topics. So we will learn the lesson. So that is what it happens. And we improve ourselves, our syllabus on every batch, whenever we see something new.
And
Isn't this
what
a
if,
good idea?
yes, and what if in case like we miss any of the classes or so, like every recorded videos will be like
As
you
I
will
said,
be posting
as
it.
I mentioned, some person was Joshi, I think he's already asked. Every day's recordings are not being shared. Once we start the practical classes, then recording will be shared. But in case you miss any class, then you can inform me personally. So I will share the temporary link to you, so that you will not miss the class. You can watch the link and join the next class. You understand? I am here to support you, but we have to support
Yes,
ourselves
because
also.
almost it's 2:30 a.m.
So
in
you
the
can inform
morning.
me.
Yes,
You can get in
yes,
touch with me. You can inform me personally in that case. In case you have any
yes.
challenge, you can inform me personally. Okay. So
Thank you
I'm
so
sharing
much.
my screen right now. I am sharing my screen right now. You see our YouTube link. So what I have done, basic networking classes. I hope you have, most of the guys know our YouTube channel. Yes, right?
Yes, sir.
Expert, SIM expert, search in YouTube, SIM expert. This is the channel, SIM expert, where you get a lot of video to watch, So see, in our syllabus, which we have basic networking classes, first module is basic networking classes, where we have covered what is IP address, what is router, what is switch, what is
So your screen
firewall.
is not visible.
Sorry, screen is not visible. Is it?
Yeah, only I can see the symbol.
Sorry, 1 minute. Now it is visible?
Yes.
See, you search in YouTube, go on the YouTube. You know our YouTube channel, search SIM expert, SIEM expert. So you get this channel, SIM expert, right? So here you see all networking classes are there. A lot of videos are there apart from the basic networking. A lot of different videos are there. So in our first module of the syllabus, you will find basic classes such as what is IP address, what is DNS, router, switches, firewall, different. We talk about different security devices, network devices. Those are very important to understand the basic of networking, as I mentioned. So we will cover here, as I said, we'll cover in brief because those classes are already available in YouTube. I explain in a very good way, and might be 50% people already watched those videos. However, if you have not watched it also, no problem. I'm going to cover it already in brief because those questions are not going to be asked in interview. So I will cover it in brief, not very deep dive. So what you do is you cover those classes yourself so that we can save that time. Instead, what time we saved, we can put that time in this Splunk session so that it will be more fruitful. We can more deep dive on the Splunk. So those video you guys have already watched it. If you have not watched it, it's available on YouTube. So you can watch it. If you have any confusion, any question, we can take it in one of the class. You rarely have any question, I'm telling you. So latest video is it not in this channel? Latest video in latest class, I have another channel I have created with the name Sulabh Misra. You follow this one. Search Sulabh Misra in YouTube. Search Sulabh Misra. I have created one more channel for different intention. Here, search Sulabh Misra in one more channel, not SIM expert. Sulabh Misra. Here, go in the playlist. You can see 10 videos in playlist. Maybe added and some. You can see. Start from day 1. I am going to explain you brief, but in detail I have explained you here. Day 1. So we'll get enough time to cover those 2 days we can save, and we will go very deep dive in the Splunk. That will be more fruitful. This was an introduction class like you. Then first day class. It was second day class. Here, mute once you speak, please. From here, it should be back in mute all the time, right?
Love, is this the part of that 18 hours? Because I watched
same to same. It is same class only. It is same class only, but a different batch. It is from latest batch.
All right, thank
So
you.
So you have already watched it.
basically we have to watch this playlist for like a broad spectrum for all those topics, right?
Right. I'm already going to cover this topic, but in precise way. I will see this is 10 days means for us 20 hours means for us 4 days, right? So I will cover this topic in 2 days in our class in precise way. So you guys cover it in YouTube for detail. Get a point? So we'll save 2 days, and those 2 days will include in Splunk, so we can do the more deep dive. Get a point?
Is this class only related to the basics of
Basic,
networking
only
and those
basic,
tips?
basic networking only.
Okay,
Only
these
basic.
all 9 days course is only for that.
Right.
Okay, okay.
Only basic.
And this is available only on Sulam Mishra channel, not on Seam Expert. Like we have,
Expert also there in Sim Expert also there, but this is the from latest batch. So from latest batch, it is available on Sulabh Misra channel. So from last 2-3 batch, I used to upload this initial classes of networking. So Sulabh Misra channel, this is from latest batch. So latest weekdays batch. So this is you find latest one. Okay, so in Sulabh Misra channel, this one.
Sir, these videos are enough for basic learning, or should we go to that Sim Expert channel and watch something else?
For other video, you can watch other video. Even I have explained you what video to watch during the, for other some other stuff. I have given some homework also during this session, right? I have given some homework also. For example, I was explaining something malware. And what is malware? What is the type of malware? I have given homework. Then I have referred you. Okay, you go on my YouTube channel and watch this malware related video. Okay, you just have to watch those session and some homework I have given. I explain you during the session only.
Okay,
sir, actually, I want to join an offline class. Can you, are you taking offline classes, sir?
I want to join. Let me finish this, then I am explaining you.
Yeah.
Let me finish this, what I am saying right now. राम मैं कॉल करता हूँ सेशन में हूँ अभी हाँ ठीक है सेशन में हूँ हाँ so got it right clear so we'll do the voting also okay tomorrow onwards who have covered how many sessions will do the voting so make sure that everybody has covered it okay so tomorrow we'll connect and we'll have the brief understanding here all these topics but detail you have to cover this 9 days I think 9 days I think 1 hour 1.5 hours class I have taken okay so I was staying in Bangalore I'll be coming between 3rd week after 15th I'll be coming to Bangalore okay then you can join offline class people from Bangalore if anybody is interested to join offline I'll be informing you the location okay who was there who was asking for offline who all can come offline
Yes, sir. I need to join an offline class.
Who? Lakshman?
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm
Lakshman. Oh, who else?
Yeah, I'll also come off.
Who? Prashant? Who else? Prashant.
Yeah, I can come off.
Who?
Sir, even I also can join.
Leela. Who else? 3-4 people. I have
randomly we can come, right? Like
any days you want to jump offline, you can come. Any days you want to join online, you can come. I have habit of seeing a lot of people in front of me. Today is the first day that I am seeing no people in front of me. Because this class I have announced only online. From current location also we have.
Sir, okay, sir, I leave, sir.
Hmm?
Leave the meeting, sir. Okay.
What?
Sir, I'm leaving the meeting, sir.
You can leave.
Okay, sir.
So today class, no people in front of me in today's session. Because today this class we have already announced that we'll be running from Bangalore. So we have not taken offline admission from here. Otherwise, 8 to 10 people at least from here every batches. Rest of online.
Bangalore, we had, when we used to run from Bangalore, we have 15 people minimum offline.
Which place, sir?
Bangalore will have around HSR layout. Place will confirm.
Okay.
Place will confirm around HSR layout, nearby to HSR. Yes, you have to.
I have a question.
Lectures, day 1 to day 10. Okay. I'll be sharing you the playlist also. Playlist also I will share, and I will do the voting. Who finished first? Who finished when? We'll do the voting on the group. Yes, go ahead.
Sir, after completing this course, can I directly apply for level 2 role?
You can go for the level 2, of course.
As a fresher who have 1 year gap.
1 year you can't get the level 2.
After completing this course.
See, only knowledge only you cannot get L2, right? Your experience also required. You may have L2 knowledge, L2 experience, but the company will not give the L2 role. It would have experience also. You cannot showcase L2 experience directly without having real experience. Because generally people, you cannot say that I'm working as L2, right? No company will give directly L2 work for fresher. I will teach you for L2 or L3 task also, but company will not give you L2 role as a for freshers.
Sulabh, Suresh here. So, like for experienced with a different domain, can we switch to L2?
Yes, you can go for L2 if you're putting some experience.
Okay,
if you're putting some experience.
Not with same domain, but with a different domain.
Different domain, but putting experience, at least 3 years experience in cybersecurity.
Okay.
L2 minimum 3 years experience is required to put. Hey guys, we'll wind up for the day. We'll connect tomorrow at the same time. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Sir.
Thank you.
Will you also help in building the resume and interview
Will be covered
preparation?
here. Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.